What's up guys, and welcome back to another stream here on my channel. Hopefully everything is working. I'm still figuring out when I have to start, so probably there's a little bit of a delay in it, but guys, thank you so much for tuning in already. Hopefully you're having an amazing day here. Let me quickly make a notification here in the Discord server, because that is also very necessary. But guys, today is of course once again a very exciting day, because yeah, if you look to the cryptocurrency space, you can see there is a lot of movement currently ongoing, and we can see all these bigger altcoins are of course absolutely exploding. And hopefully the microphone is also a little bit better. I did some adjustments on it. I did some extra settings on it as well, and hopefully it should be working a little bit better right now. I definitely think it should be working better right now, so let me know right away also in the comment section, because that will be of course giving me the confirmation. And let me quickly do this real quickly. Let me notify everyone in the Discord server as well. We are live. We are live, guys. So let's go today. I'm looking forward to today's stream. Of course, I will be quickly doing a notification in Discord, and that's it, and then we can be starting with the stream, of course. So guys, let me quickly look at the chat here. I see everyone saying good morning here in the channel. So good morning, everyone. Thank you for tuning in already. AC Crypto, Aram, of course, Ilya. I mean, also, everyone is always tuning in here to the stream, and that's, of course, absolutely amazing to see. Good sound. It's better? Let me know if it is better. I think it's definitely better. It sounds better. Yeah. Okay, guys. That's absolutely good to know. Absolutely good to know. But let me go into the price chart, guys, because in the end of the day, we are here to discuss the charts. But you guys are saying right now, it is better. So that's of course absolutely beautiful to see, beautiful to know as well. So guys, hopefully this will be of course, oh, the mic is sounding good. Okay guys, nice to know. Okay, so let me start off with the Bitcoin chart. Yesterday we were looking at this possibility for maybe a rising wedge for this scenario for Bitcoin. Of course, we were first of all looking at the very important and critical level of resistance. This was of course the Bitcoin resistance over here. Two times we were getting support over here, then we're getting resistance, third time resistance over here, fourth time, and right now we're finding once again another time resistance on this level. So earlier today we were increasing very significantly to the upside, and of course we were heading towards this resistance target. And this is very exciting what we can currently see here, because we're once again finding resistance on this this upper slope resistance line. So for me to in order to flip extremely bullish on Bitcoin, because yes guys, I'm already bullish on a lot of altcoins, as you can see over here. The gains today are insane. Of course, Ethereum crushing through the 4K, and as well Cardano crushing through the $1.80 here. And Litecoin, guys, look at Litecoin. I mean, performing 60% today. Chainlink as well, up 8.7%. So yeah, these coins are outperforming Ethereum currently. And that is also making me feel very exciting, because yes, guys, I've been making a story here on Instagram, and if you haven't already checked it, make sure I will be showing you real quickly. I will go to my profile over here, and you can see the story that I was making yesterday. I was talking about how the market structure and the market development always goes here in terms of the cycle. So I definitely feel very excited about it. And big shout out to Dean Harvey, because he sent me the schedule. I mean, we've been already talking about how it goes, but of course, showing you guys the schedule as well is of course very important. So I mean, what you can currently see is that, I am anticipating that other bigger altcoins are going to outperform Ethereum as well. Where Ethereum is still performing good, I do think it will be starting off for a second. And of course, coins like Cardano, Chainlink, Litecoin, Polkadot, etc. These coins will be probably outperforming Ethereum in the coming, let's say, 1 to 2 weeks here. So that is also the reason why I was talking about these coins here previously yesterday in the videos, because yes guys, I'm trying to make the most amount of content for you guys, and of course in these videos I was telling my reasons why I do think it is looking particularly good here. So I'm already getting a super chat from GM. I will be going into your super chat later on, guys. I mean, we'll be definitely keeping my eyes out on it. I can see it over here, but first I will be discussing Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I see already we are almost having 500 people already tuning in, guys, and already having 75 likes. So thank you so much for tuning into the stream, and let me go further into my thoughts of Bitcoin. So guys, in order for Bitcoin to flip extremely bullish, because like I told you before, the other altcoins are looking good here, I do want to be seeing this breakthrough of this resistance line, because this resistance line, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points already. And we have not broken through this level yet here. But guys, you know it, the more times we are testing a certain level of resistance, the more likely it will be that we're going to smash through this level of resistance. So I can't wait to see what we're going to do. And of course, I definitely anticipate that we're going to see it, because yes, if I also look at different scenarios, because you know, I've been looking at this scenario over here. I've been looking at this scenario over here over the of the perfect symmetrical triangle. And guys, yesterday we were seeing once again a retest, and I've been saying this, guys. These opportunities that you're currently getting for trading are absolutely insane. Of course, if you're not a trader, you can definitely spot trade this as well. Just let's say just buy some Bitcoin and sit on it. And it was of course an absolutely good target here to accumulate some on the 57k here. And if you open the trade here, if you open the long position, definitely worth to do so. And I mean, right now, of course, we're finding resistance on the yellow line here, what I've been just talking about. But this is, of course, a minor level. It's still a very important level that is still in front of us. And if we can be breaking through this level, of course, also finding support on the previous resistance of this line over here, this is definitely looking good here. And we can definitely head towards our targets of 72k here, because 72k, guys, that is my target for this Bitcoin breakout. And I still will be saying we're definitely going to reach it. And it's just a matter of time here. And I mean, besides that, guys, you can also see downward slope resistance line flipping into support. And yesterday also perfect touch of the golden pocket, and since having this touch of the golden pocket, we went higher. And we are once again right now also heading towards the 59.8k of the Fibonacci resistance for Bitcoin. So in general, I don't think that Bitcoin is necessarily looking bad here. I definitely think it looks strong, because yes, guys, we are once again testing this level of resistance. We're not letting down, and of course, the more times you're testing this level, the more likely it will be that you're going to break through. So what do I expect? I expect truly that we're going to break through today. I exactly think that we're going to break through today. If we can't, it will be, of course, tomorrow. But I do anticipate it will be a breakout anytime soon here, because, yes, the more times where you're retesting it, the more likely it will be that we're going to break through it. So, also, Michael K donating to the channel. Michael K is saying, please revisit AMP after my mention of them last week. Thank you. You have an amazing channel. So Michael will be going into it as well in a second, guys, because first, I mean, there's so many things to discuss. All these top 10, top 20 coins are performing so well here. So I definitely want to be discussing them as well. So before I go into your request, guys, make sure to wait a little bit here, because I want to be discussing Ethereum as well here. Because yes, guys, it is Ethereum, and Ethereum has been climbing and climbing. And if the point here is, it's absolutely ignoring the technicals. It's absolutely going for a moonshot. Still, it's going higher, where it is still creating this insane bearish divergence. Of course, on the weekly time frame, you're forming a massive bearish divergence, what is of course making me feel very shocking. And because you can see over here, lower high getting created, higher high in the price chart, this is of course ending in a massive bearish divergence on the weekly. So I mean, I should be not buying into Ethereum right now, and the reason also why is of course because of this. Guys, the money flow will be flowing out of Ethereum into the other larger caps here. This is always how the cycle works here, and that's also the reason why you definitely want to be following me here on Instagram. Yeah, it's very exciting to see here. Very exciting to see, and I definitely think that there will be more money flowing out of Ethereum into other altcoins. And like I told you before, Ethereum looks to be very overextended right now, and of course it's currently ignoring all these technical resistance targets. But definitely you don't want to be buying into an asset that has already been pumping so significantly, because I should rather say you can be better buying into Cardano, you can be better buying into Chainlink or Litecoin, because these coins are looking way better currently in terms of where they are staying, and in terms of the growth rate that they can still be heading towards. So I should say, please, yes, Ethereum is looking very good here, but you can rather say maybe it's smarter to maybe shift a little bit into Chainlink, maybe it's smarter to shift a little bit into ADA. And I should be staying a little bit away from Ethereum, because yes, Ethereum is been performing very good here, but do you really want to be buying the highs? Yeah, I mean, I'm not kidding. I do think that we are definitely going to go way higher, but will be right now? I don't necessarily think so. I think we will be maybe seeing a cool period getting started before really going exponential, because yeah, it tends to happen that Ethereum is going to stall off here, and that the other altcoins are going to benefit from it. And besides that, guys, Dogecoin as well, 5% up once again today, because Elon Musk is going to literally send an satellite to the air with and he's going to pay it with Dogecoin. So that's of course very exciting. And approximately the amount that he has to pay is 0.3% from the circulating supply. So it's a $225 million US satellite that he is going to send into the air. So that's pretty exciting. Of course, you can be reading it all about it here on Coin Telegraph, so definitely worth to check out as well here. But guys, let me go real quickly once again into the chat here. Of course, I have to chat here on the right side. I see Left Lane Papy also saying good morning, bro. So good morning as well, man. Guys, absolutely amazing that everyone has been absolutely amazing that everyone is right now tuning in here. But let me talk a little bit about Cardano, because yes, guys, Cardano is of course an asset that I do feel very excited about. I mean, for the whole week already, I've been feeling very excited about Cardano, and I definitely think Cardano will be showing us insane good gains here. And I see also people talking about, please talk about XRP. So We'll be definitely talking about XRP as well. But guys, before we go into XRP and into the different charts here, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit that like button because we're currently having 160 likes, guys. Can we be smashing it up to 200 likes? Only 40 more likes. I definitely think we can do so, guys. If you haven't already, make sure to smash up that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. It would be, of course, very amazing if you're doing that right now here, guys, because you guys are, of course, always very amazing. So let me go into ADA compared to Ethereum. So what are we seeing with ADA compared to Ethereum? And like I told you yesterday as well in the video, let me know if you watched the video as well here, but I was talking about ADA, of course, always moving in ways compared to Ethereum. You can see from the past, you can learn from the past, and you can see ADA tends to move in very quick waves to the upside and to the downside. And what I should be anticipating is, of course, exactly the same structure once again here. So there is a let's say a period that goes to Cardano. There's, let's say, a period that's going to Ethereum. So currently, of course, it's still the Ethereum momentum that we are trading in. But this momentum is already ongoing for quite a long period of time, approximately 60 days or so, 75 days. So please, you have to know, guys, it won't be taking long anymore before ADA is really going to show steal the show here. So that is also the reason why you should be saying, please, there is maybe a very good opportunity to, shift some Ethereum into ADA, because it is looking very well, and it is looking like it can give us very good potential rewards. Because yes, guys, if we're right now going towards our price target, we're going to see and Cardano sitting around $4.01 here, so $4.10 here. So that's definitely a very exciting target. So yes, we are still trading between the falling wedge here, guys, and it is taking quite long here. And I mean, you maybe think, okay, Rope, you've been saying this every single day here, but guys, you want to be knowing this. Of course, we have not seen the breakout yet here, but you want to be taking it with caution. You want to be taking it slow. Don't expect that we're going to see a breakout right away. If we're seeing a breakout, don't expect that we're going to see a $4 Cardano in just a matter of a few days. It usually takes to it usually tends to take some time here. But definitely, guys, there will be some more March momentum for Cardano compared to Ethereum anytime soon here. Because like I told you before, it moves in waves, and if we're going to see the breakout of the top side of this resistance line, we can definitely reverse the trend, and we can be, of course, looking for higher prices anytime soon, and then we can be maybe heading towards 0.1% of an Ethereum. And of course, you know, Ethereum is currently trading on 4100. That will be meaning that Cardano will be trading on $4.10 here. So yes, it's definitely very exciting. And of course, the price target, the further we're going to fall, the higher the price target will be here. It's right now still a 111% encouragement to the upside. So please don't be the one who's missing out on Cardano right now. I don't think you want to be missing out of Cardano. And of course, like I told you before, I like to accumulate coins lows, and that is the reason why I've been accumulating Cardano for the past days here. And it is also currently outperforming Ethereum, so it's already performing better today. And you can see here for the past days, it's already climbing a little bit here compared to Ethereum. And in general, it's a very exciting asset. And besides that, guys, Cardano compared to Bitcoin is also looking very well here. It's almost taking out this previous high for the comparison to Bitcoin. And of course, this is very important. And what you can see over here is that we closed above the previous highest daily candle. And I see 3D Nick saying, talk about the mug. I mean, guys, I just closed the giveaway here for the channel, so we're going to give away the 2 mugs and the 2 ledgers anytime soon here. We'll be announcing the winners as soon as possible. I just closed it this morning, so probably later today or tomorrow the winner will be announced here, and I will be probably doing it in the Discord, so make sure to keep your eyes on the Discord. Also keep your eyes on Twitter. I will be definitely talking about it, of course, as well over here. So, of course, very exciting that we can be announcing the winners anytime soon here. And I'm already looking forward to it. So, for Cardano compared to Bitcoin, you can see we closed the highest daily candle close yesterday. Right now, finding support. I mean, we were about to find support on the previous highest daily close. So, that is already very nice, and this is of course providing us more upwards momentum, already reaching the price target of this resistance line over here, because we were forming an ascending triangle, broke to the upside, right now finding support on that level, so it's looking still very valid. And I mean, for the Cardano compared to US dollar chart, there's nothing very interesting unfolding right now. We are of course still in price discovery. We are almost trading at all-time highs once again here, and the price target is still sitting way higher for the ascending triangle. Will be another approximately 13% move to the upside. So, are you too late to accumulate some Cardano? I definitely don't think so, and I definitely think, and I will be saying as well, you should not be hesitating to still accumulate some. And just like I told you yesterday as well in the video about Chainlink and Cardano as well, you are not too late to accumulate some, because yes, guys, especially there will probably be a lot of profits from Ethereum, and of course there's only more and more money circulating in the cryptocurrency space here. What will be also giving us probably a lot of signals of a lot of volatility into these lower market cap coins here. So I definitely feel very excited about it, and I can't wait to see where we are going to end here. So good day, need crypto to come improvement low. Dean Harvey, welcome to the stream again here. Hopefully you're also having an amazing day, guys. Thank you for everyone who's currently tuning into the stream, and thank you also for the one who's currently hitting up that subscribe button, guys. And we see almost having 1,000 people already in the stream here, guys. And you see also 240 likes, guys. You are absolutely insane. But let me talk a little bit about the price action of Chainlink as well here, because yes, these are such important assets in my opinion. And of course, yesterday we closed as well, guys. We're closing all-time highs after all-time highs. And of course, yesterday I was making a video about it as well. So it is very, very good timed video here. And I mean, you can see over here, yesterday closed the highest daily candle close ever. And where are we heading towards? You're maybe wondering. We are definitely heading towards the $62 guys, for the price action of Chainlink. It is just a matter of time. And right now the new Chainlink wave is definitely starting, and you don't want to be missing out of it. And I mean, I just feel very excited about it. And I've been also talking about the ascending triangle scenario. This one is looking very well here, because you can see we were forming an ascending triangle and finding support on the $50. Since we were breaking above it, you can see we moved to the downside and we found support on it. So that's definitely a very exciting target and very good to see as well. And since having that retest, we moved higher, but we are still away from our price target for approximately another 6% move to the upside. So yeah, Chainlink still has a lot of potential to move higher. Besides that, I mean, I've been talking about the $62. That's of course a target that I will be anticipating for a little bit of the longer run. But also the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart. And guys, you can't say that we have not been talking about the chart every single day here, because we were identifying this Chainlink move pretty early on from the $30. So you can't say that we have not warned you guys. $30 was the target that I was accumulating huge amounts of Chainlink. And of course, I will be still holding on it. And I told you guys I was opening a trade, but I also told you guys that I was buying more Chainlink from a spot trade position, because yes, I also want to be holding more for the coming months here. And that was of course at this breakout of the symmetrical triangle, because this was the comparison compared to Bitcoin, and this was looking particularly good here. And I just can't wait to see what we're going to do here, because yes, this is looking like very exciting price action ahead of us. And of course, for the price target of Chainlink compared to Bitcoin, we're still 20% approximately away from it. But yeah, definitely in the end of the day, we're going to easily smash through that. And of course, in the end of the day, we are quite far away from the previous autumn high for the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart. And if we're going to reach it, it will be another 92% increasement. What is definitely also not out of the books, guys. I mean, yes, the price target here for 0.1% of a Bitcoin is my first target, but at the end of the day, there will be way more targets here to the upside. And I think that we're not going to stall out once we're reaching this target. We're definitely going to go higher with the Chainlink, and I definitely think that we can be seeing, of course, this previous high getting touched as well here. So please don't be the one who is also missing out on this one. We are also forming a higher high structure, higher low structure as well as getting identified right now. So yeah, Chainlink is looking good here. It's also recently been outperforming the price section of Ethereum for the past day approximately. And what you can see as well over here, a beautiful reversal signal that you can see. Chainlink compared to Ethereum, you're having this double bottom getting formed right now. Double bottom, very beautiful structure that you can be identifying here. That can be, of course, giving us a reversal. And of course, once we are seeing the reversal on the chart, we can be definitely looking for higher prices anytime soon here. So make sure to keep your eyes out on Chainlink, and don't be the one as well that is missing out on this one. Because yes, guys, we've been saying this every single day right now. But of course, my target still, because yeah, we are currently trading almost in price discovery for Chainlink, is sitting around to 62 and 89 US dollars. Because yes, guys, we are breaking through the critical level resistance. There's basically no resistance ahead of us. The chart is looking healthy. The development is looking healthy. We are not overextended, and we have way more room to grow here. And I definitely think that we can be going way higher. So that's of course very cool to see. And I see already some bonfire bots coming into the stream here, guys, so please be careful for these. Please don't say it, because if you're saying it and if you're not a bot of them, you're probably getting banned as well here. So please don't say it in the chat, guys. Be careful with what you're saying right now. But let me go into Litecoin, because yes, guys, I see also a lot of requests for Litecoin coming in here, and I've been looking at Litecoin today. And you can't ignore it. You can't ignore it. It is sitting on a whopping 15% increasement. And I see also donation coming in here. I see some multiple donations coming in here. Let me quickly check it up here. I see Fox Desert saying, I hope BNB $800 soon here. Plus, always thank for the good YouTube videos. Thank you so much for your donation. Also, Toller donating $1 to the channel. Thank you so much here. But yeah, BNB is definitely an asset that we'll be discussing in a second. And AMP, Michael, and Filecoin will also be going into these one in a second. But first, I want to discuss these top 10 coins here. But guys, I will be right now taking a quick sip of my coffee. And well, I am taking this quick sip of my coffee, guys, make sure to smash up that like button, because yes, guys, we are still only, I say only, but it's still a lot here, but we're currently having 281 likes, guys. Can we be smashing it up to 300? Only 19 of you guys have to smash it up towards the new all-time high here for the like button. So guys, it will be very amazing if you're smashing it up right now, because then we can be, of course, looking for this amazing target of 300 likes here. It will be amazing if you can right now smash it up, guys. You will be, of course, yeah, very lovely, and you will be loved on the channel, and you will be having a very bright day if you're smashing it up. I already know it. And let's look at the Litecoin price chart. Let me see, guys. Litecoin, of course, has been setting a new all-time high as well. And sorry, not new all-time high, but has been setting a new high. We are very close with the all-time high, I mean. Guys, we are exactly let me see how much percentage we are away from it. We are exactly 5% away from the previous all-time high. So that is, of course, very exciting, very close as well. But you can see Litecoin has been forming this upper sloping resistance line. We have been forming this upper sloping resistance line, and we have been touching this level for 4 times. But the 5th time we were touching it, of course, guys, we smashed through it. We were finding support on the previous resistance target, and then we've been talking about this yesterday, because yesterday, guys, we were still trading on $360 and we were talking about, yes, we are finding support on 0.786 here. Yes, we're finding support on the previous resistance line, flipping into support right now, and this is looking very wealthy, and this is looking very well. And the reason why I'm still saying I feel very well about it is because we're about to crush through the all-time high as well, guys. So, yes, Litecoin is looking particularly good here. And I mean, yeah, if you go into the Bitcoin valuation, we'll be going into that in a second, it is even looking better. And I mean, yeah, you can see right away if you flip onto the MACD, this trend is beautifully to the upside right now, especially on the daily is good. The 4-hour is looking to be, yeah, a little bit of reversing currently. So, yeah, maybe we can be seeing a cool-off period getting started as well. You are seeing an, yeah, bearish divergence playing out right now. You can see lower high getting created, higher high in the price chart. So that's, of course, a thing that I want to be saying here. I want to be raising the awareness. But the daily candles are still looking very well. But you can see here the $420, guys. Probably people are anticipating, and it will be a huge sell wall. That will be a huge sell wall. So please be careful for the $420 because that target will be, of course, the previous all-time high. Previous all-time high is, yeah, going to provide this major resistance. So please don't think that we're easily going to smash through the level, even though it's performing very good today. I still will be saying to you guys, please be careful. Don't be over-rushing it. Don't be too overexcited for Chainlink, because sorry, for Litecoin. Because if you're going to be too overexcited right now, you're probably going to go to Rack City. And of course, yes, I truly anticipate that we're going to smash through the all-time high. But are we going to do it on the first touch? I don't exactly know it. But if we can be closing the daily candle above the $420, I will be flipping extremely bullish about it. But for now on, I can't flip extremely bullish about it because we still have to break through the previous all-time high. So please don't get overexcited. I mean, if you're on a leverage trade, of course, in a spot trade, I should definitely not take profits. But if you're on a leverage trade, I should maybe, yes, say take some profits on the $420 because, yeah, it will be a major sell wall as well here. So that's, of course, a level that you want to be looking out for. So I see also Steve donating to the channel. Steve, you're saying, let me see. Steve is saying, hope you're doing well today. Of course, I'm doing absolutely well here. Good morning as well, Steve. And you're saying, can you please check Ocean or Cake, please? And guys, we're so many requests. First, we'll be going into BNB, then we'll Filecoin, then it will be AMP, then it will be definitely checking Cake as well. So let me first go into BNB right now, because yes, we've been discussing these major caps here as well. XRP, guys, I see so many requests for XRP still coming in here, guys. Give me a second. We'll be definitely discussing XRP in a second. But yeah, you're saying BNB is going to reach for the $800 anytime soon here. And I mean, I can definitely agree with you, my friend. I can definitely agree with you. I mean, we've been seeing the symmetrical triangle on the 4-hourly getting formed here. Since then, we are seeing the volatility to the upside. The price target still sitting on the $710. So you're saying $800, but my first realistic target here will be, of course, $710. And once reaching this target, I should definitely say to you, I mean, this is already looking very well here. It can be a possibility of major resistance coming in here. Also, the $700, very psychological resistance. But currently, we are, of course, forming a lower high in the RSI, higher high in the price chart. But of course, it's the very significant bearish divergence. Not necessarily because we were not that overextended previously. So can we be invalidating it? Yes, easily. So yeah, let's see once we're going to reach price target. I still will be saying yes. I think we're going to see the all-time high getting created. Yeah, we're definitely going to create some new all-time highs today. And of course, I still feel very excited about it. And $710 is definitely a level that I should be not Not yeah, but I should be saying, of course, that we're going to see that anytime soon here. But of course, it will be, of course, providing probably also major resistance. So let's see if we can be smashing through it. If we can be smashing through it, of course, yeah, the $800 is imminent. But in general, I feel very excited about BNB. But the only conservative thing here, what you also can see with Bitcoin right now, is that we are definitely in a downtrend on the momentum. So the RSI is cooling off here. We are setting lower highs, and this is basically telling us, okay, the buyers are losing strength currently in the market, and are we really going to go way higher? So let's see what we're going to do. I definitely think we're going to go higher because, yeah, BNB is, of course, a very interesting token. Of course, the biggest exchange. And, of course, there's coming more and more interest in general in the market. And, of course, the more interest there will be in the cryptocurrency space, the more people that will be holding BNB as well here. So, definitely, I don't see a reason for BNB to go up here anytime soon. And I still definitely feel very excited about it. So, $710 is my first target. Still will be a move of another... yeah, 4% approximately, but we're definitely going to reach it already today because, yeah, it's coming together with the price target of the symmetrical triangle over here. And also on the 4-hourly, we were forming a symmetrical triangle, and that is also the price target of the symmetrical triangle. So definitely very exciting, but only thing what is a little bit less exciting is, of course, BNB compared to Bitcoin was breaking down of the rising wedge here. Since then, we were finding resistance on this rising wedge, and we're trying to have another retest of it. So let's see if we can be re-entering it. It looks like it will be providing us a lot of resistance. So hopefully we can be smashing through it, but I don't want to be overexcited currently. So let me see what the next request was here. So it was Filecoin. Let me go into Filecoin real quickly. Let me go here, and I see also 1,100 people already tuning into the stream, guys. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you haven't already, man, guys, make sure to do so. Guys, can we reach the 41.2k today? That will be, of course, an absolutely insane target. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Probably it's red still, but if the subscribe button is still red here, make it white, because if you're smashing it up, it will become white here. So that will be, of course, very amazing if you're right now hitting that bottom, guys. That will be, of course, very cool. So let me go into Filecoin. Let me remove all the drawings, and let me see what we're currently having with this one. So, of course, let me look at the daily candles. Let me identify the 4-hour. I think the 4-hour is looking a little bit better. So you can see we were breaking through this resistance line over here. This is a very critical level of resistance, and since breaking through it, we were finding support on it. We're also creating an upper sloping support line for Filecoin, and it's also a level that we are currently respecting still. So that's, of course, beautiful to see. Besides that, guys, we are also having this, that's not my intention. Besides that, we also have this important gray box here on the lower side here. This is, of course, an important horizontal level here that we can currently still look at, because you can see here resistance, support, and probably if we're going to really hold on to this supportive line here, we can definitely still see a touch of maybe the $130. It looks to be that we're still in a downtrend. And of course, let me flip onto the MACD to identify the trend over here for you guys. If you look at the daily candles, you can see, yeah, we're definitely in a downtrend, and it's not necessarily looking good here in my opinion. Daily is definitely in a downtrend. I don't see a clear reversal yet here, because yes, we've been seeing the consolidation just getting started for the price action of Filecoin. It's exactly 38 days here. Usually these consolidation periods can be taking from 60 days towards maybe 100 days here. So right away, we'll be saying to you, if I just identify the market structure, it can be seeing, yeah, maybe a cool period for even longer getting started. But of course, since the 4th of May, we are starting a new uptrend. So we are starting to set higher lows and higher highs as well. So of course, also having a bullish crossover right now on the MACD on the 4-hour. So this is also looking very healthy. So yeah, Filecoin on the immediate short term can be definitely going to go for a little bit of a higher push to the upside as well for Bitcoin as well. And that is also the reason why I definitely think, yeah, Filecoin can be probably following Bitcoin as well. Because, yeah, guys, these altcoins tend to follow Bitcoin. And, of course, once Bitcoin is moving up, these altcoins tend to follow. So that's, of course, very exciting. And yeah, you can see over here as well, maybe we are forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle currently. And of course, the symmetrical triangle can be seeing a breakout to the upside, of course, because it's a continuation pattern. And it's more likely to see this breakout to the upside, can be maybe pushing the price towards the $180. So, I mean, yes, 1, 2, 3 touch points on the lower side, 1, 2, 3 touch points on the top side. It's already showing us a lot of significance, and yeah, I don't want to be seeing a breakout towards the upside for you, my friend, but I definitely think we're going to see a breakout to the upside rather than to the downside, because yes, guys, the market sentiment, the markets currently, if I'm talking about Bitcoin and altcoins, it's looking like we're extremely bullish here, so I can't be bearish on Filecoin as well here. So let's see where it's heading towards, but definitely symmetrical triangle can be pushing up the price towards $180, and it can be, of course, seeing another increasement of another 22%. So yes, I do feel very excited about it. Let's see what it will be doing here. It looks to be that we were almost creating a bullish divergence over here, but unfortunately we weren't. Besides that, still on the 4-hour, we are having this downward slope and resist line getting formed here on the RSI. So yeah, there's still more downward pressure, but let's see if we can be breaking this resist line on the momentum indicator. So hopefully we can be seeing some higher prices getting created anytime soon here, but in general, I feel very excited about it. So let me see what we're currently having here with the other donations. So AMP, what are we having with AMP? You've been talking about it recently. You told me. I know AMP is a lot of requested recently, and it's been performing very well. Unfortunately, I am not exposed to it. I definitely want to be getting exposed to it because, yes, guys, a lot of requests that I get here. I get a lot of requests, and of course, I always try to look into the projects that I get requested a lot here because, yeah, sometimes maybe it's a very good project. So, I mean, unfortunately, I was not going into this one, and yeah, I definitely missed out of something. It's currently trading on 71 cents here. Sorry, 7.1 cents here, where it was just trading on 2.7 cents just exactly a month ago. So yeah, I mean, you're making very good gains here, my friend. Let me see if I go to the price chart of AMP, what it is currently telling me as well here. I mean, yeah, it's been creating these continuation patterns, and I know that I was looking to these charts here, and we were seeing first of course this symmetrical triangle over here getting played out here, broke to the upside, then created another continuation pattern, and of course broke out to the upside once again here. But what you can see as well here, and the reason why you should be saying you want to be careful, yeah, you're forming definitely in downtrend currently on the RSI. So yeah, the buying strength is losing and you're pushing a little bit lower. And there's also the reason why you were creating a bearish divergence. And right now, once again, a bearish divergence on the daily. So that can still have the possibility to push the price of AMP a little bit lower. So for me, yes, I do get why I did not bought into it, because it looks pretty risky right now if I just look to the technical. So yeah, hopefully you're still going to make very good gains here. But we are seeing a lot of bearish divergence currently unfold. And if I see a bearish divergence getting played out on the price chart, I definitely will be not buying into it, because especially because it is currently on the daily. And of course, if you are seeing such an symmetrical triangle, such a bearish divergence getting created on the daily, you want to be very careful. But I still see so many requests for XRP coming in, guys. Give me a second. I will be going into XRP in a second here, guys. Give me a moment, because let me quickly see. I think, yeah, of course, I will be doing Cake, and I see G to Rosta, and then I can't see your donation yet here, but it will be flipping onto the screen here anytime soon. It flipped onto the screen. So we'll be going into Cake, and then I will be going into XRP, guys. I will be going into XRP. Give me a second, because yes, Cake is also a very exciting asset. And you know, if you go to the page here on the channel, if you go to the page, you know that I've been talking about Cake a lot here. Also, I made my top 5 picks for the coming month of May, and you can see over here, Cake is definitely one of these assets, because yes, I think Cake will be performing very well here for the coming month. So yeah, I mean, I really look forward to see what it's going to do here. And I mean, you can see this perfect touch over here. I mean, perfect touch of the 33.90 cents here for Cake. And of course, since touching the 1.618 here extension level, where you were previously finding resistance on, we are definitely looking very good right now, because we are looking for another potential leg to the upside, and that can be really pushing up the price once again here. So there's a possibility that you were maybe looking for some kind of an you can be calling it a parallel channel. You can be calling a parallel channel that we are currently breaking out of. And I mean, let me remove these drawings real quickly and just get the parallel channel in front of me, because then we can be really looking for the parallel levels. I mean, you can see that we are currently still trading in it. So will we be getting a rejection right now? Will we be breaking out of it right now? That will be, of course, very exciting. But hopefully we can be seeing a breakout on the 4-hourly candles. If we can be closing above this resistance line, guys, we can be definitely looking for some higher prices anytime soon here. And of course, I definitely look forward to see where it is heading towards. I hope really that we can be closing above it, because if we can close above it, of course, we can be maybe seeing a retracement, and of course on the retest of that previous resistance line, we can be looking for a possibility of a buying order, or maybe a long trade opportunity as well. So yeah, Cake is not necessarily looking bad here, and I definitely feel very excited about it. And I think, yes, guys, we can definitely head towards the $43 once again here. And of course, if we're going to go towards the level, it will be our third touch of this Fibonacci level. And guys, you know it, the more times we are testing certain levels of resistance, the more likely it will be that we're going to break it. And especially, guys, a coin where I just feel very excited about. And you can be also approaching it maybe as a bull flag. And if you're approaching it as a bull flag, you can be seeing a potential price target of maybe $58. So this, of course, very exciting. And like I told you before, I truly anticipate that we can be definitely heading towards the $60 by the end of the month of May. Because yes, cake is definitely a very undervalued asset currently, and I definitely want to be saying to you guys, if you're not exposed to it, even though it's already going up pretty quickly, I still don't think it's necessarily a bad buy here, because the fundamentals are looking extremely good here, and it's just a coin that you want to be having in your portfolio. So definitely an asset where I do feel very excited about, guys. So also another super chat here from Michael, and Michael, of course, thank you for super chatting. You're saying, what's up, bro? Checking in, BasketCoin low liquidity at the moment. Maybe that prevents further sell-offs. Mircoin as well now, as well. New on Coinbase Pro, but no pump yet here. We'll be going into it as well in a second, guys. I see also Nehem donating to the channel, and K-Mail also donating to the channel, guys. And we still have to go into Dent. But first, I promised everyone that I was going into XRP. So thank you for support of donation. We'll be going into it in a second. But of course, we want to be discussing XRP because, yes, guys, the price action of XRP is very, very exciting currently. Because, guys, I mean, yesterday, this is exactly very interesting. Because, guys, I know a lot of people on the channel are loving XRP, and I love XRP as well on the channel. You guys know it. Recently, especially, XRP has been very, very well here. And I mean, guys, what is also very funny here, I don't know if you know it, Dusty BC, I don't know, guys, if you know him. He's a big shout out to him. He is also in my hotel. Yesterday I was with him. He's a true legend, of course. He's doing all kinds of videos as well here on the internet here on YouTube. And yesterday I was within True Legend. He makes also a lot of videos about XRP. So if you're on his channel, make sure, I don't know if you guys watch him as well, but if you see his channel, make sure to go to his comment section and just spam Crypto Rover in his comments. That would be, of course, very funny if you can do so. But that is nevertheless a very funny thing that I want to be saying here. But XRP, of course, on the daily candles, guys, we can see symmetrical triangle still getting involved there. We're still seeing the symmetrical triangle over here. And you can see here downward sloping resistance line currently getting formed, and you can see we have multiple touch points on this one, and of course you can see big wicks getting created on the top side. And we still, I mean, I still want to be saying, yes, we're seeing the breakup right now, but I really will be saying to you, you want to be waiting for this daily candle close, because, guys, we have been seeing all these wicks on the top side recently, and of course I still anticipate a breakout to the upside. I will be saying this, I still anticipate a breakout to the upside, but please wait before we're seeing this daily candle close above it, because if we're not going to see this daily candle close above this resistance line, we are not going to see the confirmation of the breakout. So everyone's saying spam Rover. No. I was just kidding. You don't have to do it necessarily, but it would be amazing if you're watching him and then say Rover in the comments. That would be amazing, because then I can be trolling him, because I probably will be seeing him multiple times over here. He's also in Dubai right now, so that's of course pretty funny. But yeah, you can see XRP, of course. You want to be seeing this breakthrough of the daily candle. So still another 16 hours before we're definitely going to close this daily candle. And if we can't close this daily candle close above this line once again, we want to be waiting for the next daily candle close, because, yes, guys, we've been seeing a lot of sell orders coming in here. But yeah, I mean, I say this every single day, guys. The more times you're retesting a certain level of resistance, the more likely it will be that you're going to break it. So yeah, we'll be saying this for this moment as well. I mean, it will be today, maybe tomorrow, and other ways the day after. We definitely will be seeing the breakout for this symmetrical triangle on the XRP price action on the daily. And of course, the breakout target will be still saying will be pushing us up towards the $2.70 here. And of course, if we are going to see this breakout, I'm already in my XRP long trade position. I'm currently trading XRP on Bybit, so if you want to be signing up as well with Bybit, you can definitely do so in the description, because currently, guys, Bybit is offering you a $1,080 bonus if you're signing up here. So even though if you're not trading, you can be already signing up here, because that is just very amazing, because this bonus is the biggest bonus ever in history. And I mean, you can be already signing up, and even you don't have to use it, but let's say you're going to use it in 10 years or so, you still have the biggest deposit bonus ever in history. I mean, $80 is a welcome bonus, so you already get it once signing up, and $1,000 is a deposit bonus. So that's, of course, very exciting if you want to be trading it. And I mean, will be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. And for XRP, yeah, you can see you just want to be waiting for the daily candle close, guys. Again, not a lot to talk about. I mean, for XRP compared to Bitcoin, I still feel very excited about it here. But I mean, I told you guys yesterday as well, I want to be seeing the weekly candle close for XRP above this resistance line. We've been creating this resistance line already multiple touch points, and as well for this chart, guys, I want to be seeing the XRP weekly candle close above this line here. We've been seeing a lot of wicks getting created on the top side, but no closes above it. So yeah, once again, we'll be seeing this. Do want to be seeing the weekly candle close above this line. If we can do so, yeah, I mean, we are looking extremely good here because we are breaking the downtrend, and we can be seeing some higher price anytime soon here. And I see also Charles saying good morning, CR. So good morning, bro. Hopefully you're having an amazing morning as well here. But yeah, for XRP, I feel very excited about it. But it's just like I told you before, I'm already in my position because, yeah, I will be not anticipating the exact breakup. Because, yeah, I mean, we don't necessarily have to get this retracement after seeing the breakup and, of course, go higher. And I definitely think XRP can create very fast follow-through. So that is the reason why I'm already opening my position. And, of course, once falling, we'll be adding more. So I'm not going to miss this right here because this XRP trade is going to be insane, guys. And we're going to see insane follow-through getting created as well on this chart. So, I mean, definitely don't want to be missing out on XRP. Keep your eyes out on it. And, yeah, I mean, you can be trading it as well if you want to be doing it as well. So, guys, already 61 subscribers, guys. Only another 39 subscribers before reaching the 41.2k would be amazing if we can do so. But let me also look into the next request here. So, of course, Satorsa. Hi, boss. Here, your Olympic fan watching as all days here. Can you please check Dent and give us your opinion? And Tortorsa, I know I've been DMing with you on Instagram, guys, with you, my fans. So that's, of course, very amazing to see that you're once again in the channel here. So, of course, if you haven't already checked my Instagram, make sure to follow me as well over here. I see a lot of new followers currently coming in here. So definitely cool if you're following me as well on Instagram. I mean, definitely worth to check out here, making daily stories as well. But let me go into Dent. And, of course, I mean, Todorsa, I don't know if I pronounce your name correctly, but you're a true legend, and otherwise send me a DM how I pronounce your name, because I'm very bad with pronouncing names, etc. So, what we can currently see with Dent, and I've been talking about this multiple times, multiple days as well on the channel, and you can currently see that we are still trading in this symmetrical triangle, and we are currently having yesterday another retest of the lower side of the support line, but still we are trading in this symmetrical triangle. So this is, of course, absolutely insane, and of course we're still in it, and we're going to see a breakout today. We're going to see a direction getting decided today, even though if it's not going to be today, it will be tomorrow on the new daily open. But definitely we're going to choose a direction by the end of the daily candle close. So definitely think that we're going to choose a direction to the upside because, yes, like I told you before, the market sentiment is to the upside. Bitcoin is going higher. It will be definitely following. That will be definitely following Bitcoin as well here. And I don't necessarily expect to go way lower. And I mean, it's been consolidating for quite a while right now. This resist line has also a lot of touch points, and I definitely think that we can be breaking through it. So it really depends on where the daily candle will be closing here, but I definitely think we will be seeing this move to the upside getting created. And of course, once we're seeing this move to the upside getting created, I hope we can be also breaking through the 1% of a Bitcoin, 1 cent here. Because if we can be breaking through the 1 cent, I mean, we're breaking through this critical level of resistance over here, critical level of support, and of course, you guys know the previous support will be right now flipping into resistance once again here. So for me, this will be a very important level that you want to be breaking above. So of course, the price target can be definitely pushing it up to new all-time highs here. So I don't want to be seeing the follow-through getting created anytime soon here, especially once seeing the breakout. I can be extending this downward sloping resistance line, guys, because I mean, it doesn't necessarily has to be so that we are going to create follow-through right away here, because that tends to happen with coins that are so close to the apex, and of course, it looks to be that it is not ready yet to make this insane move here. And I want to be saying, yeah, I mean, this symmetrical triangle looks pretty clear here, but it's not my most favorite scenario because I rather want to be seeing something like this here with another touch point on the lower side. Of course, we currently have 3 touch points, but yeah, the more touch points, the more significant it will be. And I mean, yes, I truly anticipate the breakout to the upside, but yeah, there's also a lot of resistance ahead of us. So yeah, once we're seeing a breakout, we want to be seeing the moves to the upside getting created. And let me also flip quickly look to the MACD here. MACD on the daily still looks very bearish. You're still sending a lower high over here, lower low as well. But it really depends on this low that you're going to create. It looks to be that we are going to start a new uptrend. So, of course, it looks to be that it's reversing right now. So that will be, of course, very amazing to see. Besides that, yeah, the 4-hourly is currently reversing because you can see higher low getting formed over here. So we're starting a new trend to the upside. So 4-hourly is looking good here. So that can be also pushing up the price a little bit here. Bullish crossover on the MACD as well can be also helping to push the price a little bit higher. So that is not looking necessarily bad here, and hopefully we can be still seeing this move to the upside getting created for the price action of Dent. And of course on the 4-hour you can see we're also almost oversold, and of course always once you're oversold, it's a good buying opportunity. So for Dent, definitely will be expecting the breakout to the upside, and of course we will be looking the coming days here towards these levels of resistance if we are breaking through it, and of course we will be giving you my exact thoughts about it. So Let me see, Kamo also donating to the channel. You're saying, hey CR, can you do some TA on Crypto.com CRO? So Kamo, thank you for support donation. Also Nehem tuning in once again here. True Legend, of course. Let me go into the Crypto.com price action chart, guys. Of course, very exciting. Crypto.com. Let me first go into Crypto.com compared to Bitcoin to see the comparison to Bitcoin. So this can be, of course, this will be very important for our thoughts about the about the price chart of Crypto.com. That will be very important to identify also the US dollar valuation. But currently, it looks like Crypto.com compared to Bitcoin is definitely consolidating a lot. It's forming an insane big descending triangle, of course. This descending triangle can be definitely seeing a breakout either direction. Of course, descending triangles are usually very bearish by Spanish, but they tend to break out to the upside once you're in a bull market. And of course, the Crypto.com compared to Bitcoin valuation is still in an uptrend and not necessarily in a downtrend. Because yes, guys, we've been down in a downtrend for quite a long time here compared to Bitcoin. But it looks to be that we're finally going to reverse once again back to the upside. So, of course, you're still accumulating Crypto.coms at very cheap prices, in my opinion. And there can be definitely insane rises to the upside getting created anytime soon here. And I like to accumulate coins very early on, especially once a project is very good. So, you're buying as well on daily support. And, of course, daily support, like I told you before, I've been looking to this level multiple times. And you can see always the significance of this level. It's always been providing us very good buying opportunities. So, that's with that in mind, you can see as well to this chart, guys. I mean, there is not a lot of going on currently. You can see we're maybe forming a downward sloping resistance line currently on the top side. We're also forming an upward sloping support line on the lower side. So this can be, of course, ending in a symmetrical triangle, and this symmetrical triangle can be seeing a potential breakout to either direction. Of course, we want to be looking to a breakout to the upside, but you can see here we're going into the symmetrical triangle from a move to the downside. So this is quite bearish. So this gives us the signal that the more likely scenario is that we're going to see a breakdown of the symmetrical triangle. But of course, like I told you before, we are in a bull market, so usually bearish signals are still going to break out to the upside. So, I mean, yeah, what you can be looking for a potential price target for either direction. Let me copy this real quickly as well. Potential breakdown, of course, can be definitely pushing down the price very significantly. Can be pushing down the price towards the 11 cents, 12 cents here, but I don't truly anticipate it. And a break to the upside can be pushing up the price towards 25 cents here. So we're either going to choose the direction anytime soon here. Of course, this is currently trading on the 4-hourly candles, and of course, I definitely want to be seeing this breakout target anytime soon here. It's been consolidating quite a long time here. It's been setting higher lows here, lower highs, so it's definitely consolidating currently. And probably if I flip onto the volume as well, guys, you see that the volume is dropping, I think. So yeah, I mean, the volume has not been doing anything special in terms of the previous price action with Crypto.com. So yeah, let's see how this will be ending, of course. In general, I feel very excited about it. Let me see also, we're still had this dead cross over here, and we are going to have a golden cross anytime soon here, I think. So definitely very exciting. And as well, I just will be saying it trades always with the trend of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still trading to the upside, and I definitely think it will be dragging Crypto.com with it as well. And of course, if we can be seeing the breakout to the upside getting created from the point that we're currently trading on, guys, this will be still another insane increasement of another 40%. So yeah, the volatility will be probably returning anytime soon here with Crypto.com, and I don't necessarily feel bad about it. So let's see how this will be ending. But in general, I feel very excited about it. So I still see so many bearish signal after how bad it has been performing is scary for Crypto.com. I mean, that's indeed. But of course, I'm saying bearish signal is because we are forming a symmetrical triangle from a downtrend. That's the reason why I'm saying bearish. But of course, this is of course a bearish pattern that is getting created. That is, let's say, 60% chance that it's going to break to the downside, 40% chance it's going to break to the upside. But of course, it will be. We'll be still very likely to see a breakout to the upside, because yeah, it's just the trend that is big where Bitcoin is as well currently trading in. So I don't necessarily expect a breakdown here, guys. So let me see what we are currently having. Guys, we already are having 521 likes. You guys are insane, guys. Already 521 likes, guys. And if you have it already, make sure to right now smash up that like button as well here, because guys, this is absolutely insane. 521 likes already, but can we be smashing it up to maybe 600 likes? So another 80 of you guys have to be smashing up that like button right now. And if you can be the one who's also hitting that like button right now, that will be of course very amazing, because guys, if you're seeing that yeah, of course the 600 likes are getting reached already before we're even 1 hour in the stream, that will be of course an insane target that I will be loving to reach here on the channel. So guys, it would be amazing if you're right now smashing it up. And as well, make sure to don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, because yes guys, only another 16 subscribers guys. We'll be going more into that in a second. So Naham is asking me what are your thoughts on Jupiter, and then we'll be doing this one to the downside. What are your thoughts on Jupiter and Shield? I mean, I already don't like coins that are, let's say, planets. So I mean, for me it's very hard to give you exact thoughts about this one. It's currently trading on PancakeSwap, and yeah, let's see what, I don't know exactly what it is doing, my friend. Decentralized operation, private blockchain. I mean, not a lot of information about the chart. For me, it's very hard to give my thoughts about it. Yeah, once the coin is only having a wrapped ether comparison and been definitely in a downtrend recently. You don't want to be trading against the trend. Trend looks still to go to the downside. I mean, very hard to give my thoughts about these coins here. Maybe it's forming some kind of an of a falling wedge. Here is a possibility that we can be creating right now. Falling wedge, of course, can be definitely pushing up the price very significantly. Of course, if we're going to see this falling wedge getting broken out here to the upside, not the most beautiful one to be honest. But let me see what your different request was. But please make sure if you're requesting anything here, I mean, is this it? Shield, yeah, this is it. I mean, these are very low cap coins here, so the chance of me knowing these coins are also very minor. But of course, very nice that you're requesting coins that I don't know yet here. Scam projects that are never will be going away. I don't know exactly what it is about as well here. So for me, I will be not doing these this research live in the stream here. But definitely very exciting. Hopefully you can make good gains with it. But for me to really give my opinion about it, is also not on Trading View. It's very hard, Nahem. So yeah, hopefully you're still going to make good gains. But guys, if you want to be smashing up the subscribe button, only 11 guys, only 11 more subscribers before we're going to reach it. Will be of course very amazing. So Mako donate to the channel as well. You're saying what's up, bro? Checking in here, basket low liquidity. So let me go into BasketCoin real quickly, because this, yeah, of course, this is very exciting asset. I've been talking about it recently. So liquidity is low. Let me quickly check it. Of course, this is once again a very low market capitalization coin as well here. But of course, I got a lot of requests from this one, and of course, let me see. It's currently trading only on Uniswap here, so it's very minor still. I don't exactly know. I'm currently not seeing it on Uniswap because they're not giving me the liquidity over here. But let's see what it will be doing here. It's been climbing, by the way. It's been climbing recently. I bought this one on under the 40 cents even. So it's very exciting how it's been climbing for the recent days, sir. Of course, it's been decreasing again once again. So I mean, it was stopping out around to $1.55 here. So it had a big climb to the upside, but after that decrease also very significantly once again. So yeah, let's see what it's going to do here. But yeah, what are you currently saying as well here? Maybe it will be preventing the further sell-off. Can be probably true here, but of course, if people want to be selling the coin, they will be just setting up sell orders. Mirrorcoin as well, new on Coinbase Pro, but has not pumped yet here. So I mean, let me go into Mirrorcoin for you, my friend. I don't know exactly what it is all about here. So yeah, setting around P1200 as well. Very low market cap coin as well, guys. I mean, I mean, you do really want to be knowing what the fundamentals are. If you're buying into very low market capitalization coins, you want to be knowing what the fundamentals are. And of course, if the fundamentals are very good, you definitely can be buying into it. And yeah, you can see recently got launched on Coinbase, but for me also very hard to give my thoughts about it. But yeah, hopefully you can be making good gains here. But you can see since it was getting launched on Coinbase Pro, you can see right away decrease in price action. So yeah, hopefully you can still make good gains with it. For me, it's once again very hard to give my opinion about these coins. But probably it don't get listed for no reason. Probably the coins that are getting listed on Coinbase as well usually have good fundamental worth. So let's see what it will be doing. But for me, it's very hard to give my exact research about it every single time live in the stream. But guys, what I can currently see is that we're exactly one subscriber away before reaching the 41.2k here, guys. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I mean, guys, only one, and we're going to reach the 41.2k. That will be, of course, absolutely insane. Guys, can you be smashing it up? That will be amazing. So let me go into the next request here. Okay, look at ICX here. I think daily head and shoulders will be with the retest confirmed. So of course, if we're having that, it will be, of course, very amazing. And guys, make sure, like, I like these requests here for, like, let's say technical requests. I really like them. So make sure to ask me anything about technicals as well. And I mean, yeah, we've been looking for potential. Maybe I want to be looking at this one on the 4-hour. So let me look at the 4-hour on this one. So you can see this is not looking bad indeed, my friend. It's not looking bad at all. So you can be seeing a possibility for an head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. So yeah, possibilities for an inverse head and shoulders getting played out here, and you are seeing a perfect retest right now. So of course it's very exciting to see these head and shoulders playing out currently, and of course especially once you're seeing these head and shoulders playing out over here, and you're seeing a perfect retest of it. And of course inverse head and shoulders, bullish bias pattern, and definitely, my friend, this is very good spotted by you, my friend. Let me see what's your name exactly. Movies, Tiki Movies. Definitely a good spot from you, and ICX is looking like a very good potential price target that it's going to see probably. Of course, it can be seen from the point that it is currently trading on still another 38% increase. But of course, this is a very beautiful pattern that you can currently look at. Maybe let me flip it on to the daily candles to just see the significance a little bit more here. But indeed, you're forming an inverse head and shoulders, and of course, this can be definitely pushing up the price pretty significantly as well here. So my friend, is not looking bad, it's looking particularly good here, and you can definitely see a lot of gains to be made here in the coming days, coming hours. So yeah, it's definitely looking good here, and you can be seeing potential higher prices, and it's looking like a very valid inverse head and shoulders. You can see here a low getting created, then we are creating a higher low, and yeah, of course, right now finding support on the previous resistance line. This is looking very valid, and you can be seeing higher prices anytime getting created. So yeah, looks very good here. Only conservative thing that I want to be saying here, yeah, the RSI is still definitely in a downtrend, so you're losing buying strength. The trend is definitely to the downside if we're talking about in terms of the buyers that are entering the market. So yeah, that is of course quite shocking here, but let's see what we're going to do. People are saying Bitcoin is dumping, but guys, really, you want to be knowing what a dump is. This is not a dump. This is a minor correction from a resistance line. So I mean, do you call a dump? And 1% move is not a dump, guys. And this is, please don't call this a dump, because if you can't handle the heat, you are at the wrong place here. Like I told you before, I still think that we're going to see a breakout rather sooner than later right now for Bitcoin. Of course, the more times, guys, we are retesting these levels of resistance, the more likely it will be that we're going to break through it. And I do think there will be some news coming as well towards Bitcoin, because everyone is currently focused on the altcoins. And what we can currently see here is that the profits from Bitcoin flowing into altcoins, let's say, because what you can currently see, Bitcoin is not necessarily increasing in valuation, but if you look to the total market capitalization of the cryptocurrency space here, guys, you can see for the past month here, where Bitcoin was doing nothing for the past month, it still increased with another 500 billion US dollars. So yes, guys, we're not standing still currently, because that is of course the half of the market capitalization for Bitcoin. So if everything went into Bitcoin instead of altcoins, we were already seeing a 70 towards 80k Bitcoin. But you have to know, there's currently 2.5 trillion market capitalization in the total cryptocurrency space here. So definitely it's very beneficial for everything. And I mean, imagine if everything was going into Bitcoin, we were already seeing 160k Bitcoin, so approximately, of course. So this is of course very exciting. Of course, the cryptocurrency space is growing and growing, and guys, don't be surprised if we're going to see some announcements coming that some companies are buying Bitcoin, because what you can currently see, a lot of minor addresses, so a lot of smaller players in the space, they are selling off their Bitcoin to altcoins, but the Bitcoin price is not necessarily dropping. What means is that these bigger players, these whales, are still accumulating, and this is definitely, if you look for this is definitely very beneficial for the Bitcoin price, because guys, we've been finding a lot of support on it, and people are saying, oh, this is boring, Bitcoin is boring, I'm not buying into Bitcoin. But guys, you want to be knowing there's a lot of accumulation currently going on for these big players, and we're going to definitely see some new all-time highs getting created, because there will be some very exciting news coming as well for Bitcoin, and that will be of course definitely pushing up the price of Bitcoin, and will be leaving these altcoins behind. So of course, still think the altcoins will be performing very, very well in the coming cycle, but you do want to be careful. And I mean, the most amount of, at least 40% of your portfolio, in my opinion, still wants to be in Bitcoin, because I know, guys, I have a lot of altcoins, and altcoins are having a bigger risk, but can also potentially give you better returns. But make sure to just not sell your Bitcoin, because if you're selling your Bitcoin right now, you're probably making a big mistake for altcoins. So please also just hold on to your Bitcoin. I mean, just manage your risk here, because it tends to happen that, let's say, the altcoins pump, then Bitcoin pumps. The altcoins pumps, then Bitcoin pumps. So it tends to move in waves here, and please don't miss out on Bitcoin as well here, because then you're absolutely missing out. But guys, yes, we just smashed through it, the 41.2k here. Guys, thank you so much for smashing it up. You guys are insane. You guys are of course always very lovely, and I mean, already reaching the 41.2k, guys, you are truly amazing. Best community I've ever wished for. So let me see, let me go into the next request here. So I see so many requests from coming in here. Also Sherry, and I see Quintus, I don't know exactly how you pronounce your name, but you're saying, hi, I'm new to crypto, should I buy XRP right now or wait for the dip? I mean, Guys, you know, if you're watching the stream already for maybe a half hour or so, you know that I was saying you definitely want to be getting some XRP right now. And of course, this is no financial advisor. You want to be knowing, you always want to be trading at your own risk here, but definitely, XRP is providing very good buying opportunities, and the reason why I'm saying this, yes, you can be waiting for the breakout, you can be waiting for the breakout for the retest, but especially if you're new to crypto, I should just buy and hold. And if you're buying XRP, you're going to make very good profits. And like I told you before, if you're really new to crypto and you don't know exactly how it works, yeah, you can be maybe also just buying Bitcoin and just stay on the sidelines and just look how it goes, because if you're buying Bitcoin, you're definitely going to make profits and you're not going to make a loss at all. So let's see what it will be doing here. But I mean, buying XRP right now is definitely not a bad choice here. And guys, if you want to be seeing my exact thoughts about XRP, you just have to go a little bit back into the stream here, because there I go into depth about what I think about XRP currently. So yeah, I should definitely say yes. No financial advice. I don't know your financial situation, but definitely a big yes from me if you want to be buying some. So guys, we are having 666 likes. That's absolutely insane. So Sherry is saying, can you check VeChain? Thank you. Of course, let me go into VeChain right away. And of course, Dave Reese once again talk about glitch here, but we'll be going into that in a second. Let me take a quick sip of my coffee, guys. And I know a lot of people are tweeting me, and they're saying, Rover, and then you guys are saying, let me take a quick sip of my coffee. But guys, I mean, coffee is truly amazing. I mean, you guys are saying you have way too much caffeine. But guys, don't you like the energy of the streams? Let me know in the comment section. Of course, guys, don't forget to follow me as well here on Twitter. I mean, I really want to be growing the Twitter page as well here. Like I tweeted over here as well. Altcoins will be following, but more exponential. And the reason why I'm saying this is because of the story that I mean, we've been talking about this quite a lot here, and of course Dean Harvey has been sending me the schedule, and of course the schedule is very nice to show you guys as well here. I thought this is very necessary to show you guys, and you know, the other altcoins are going to follow Ethereum way harder and in way more rapid pace. So please don't be missing out on these other altcoins as well here. So please make sure to also follow me over here on Instagram. I mean, I definitely want to be reaching the 10K followers over here, because then we can be doing some extra features over here. So very, very amazing, of course. But let me talk about VeChain, guys. Let me talk about VeChain. And I always say, I will be still saying the same here. For the people that are currently into VeChain, I want to be raising the awareness. Because yes, we are seeing the breakout for the symmetrical triangle, and a move to the upside was definitely anticipated. Price target is sitting around to $33. Sorry, 0.33 US dollars, so 33 cents here. Still definitely think that we're going to see a higher price getting reached there, but guys, you have to know, if we're going to go towards this target, we're going to create an insane bearish divergence. And like I told you before, you want to be identifying the market structure, but yeah, VeChain is of course going exponential to the upside. We're definitely going to see a new high getting created, in my opinion. And of course, after this high is getting created, we're probably going to create a big, we are definitely going to create a big bearish divergence, what can be definitely pushing down the price. And this really reminds me of the price chart of Feta, of Shilis, and it will be probably ending the same way. We will be seeing another leg to the upside getting created, and after that, a big correction. So please don't get wrecked, don't go to Wreck City. I would not love to see that. And of course, let's see how this will be ending. But I definitely think it's very exciting. Definitely think that we will be going a little bit higher, but not necessarily going to see new all-time highs. Not necessarily going to go and see a 100% increase from the point that we're currently trading on. So is VeChain going to give you the best returns? I don't necessarily think so. Yes, I love the fundamental worth of VeChain. But I definitely will be saying you want to be extremely careful right now, because it looks to be very overextended on the daily candles, and not only on the daily, guys, also on the 4-hour, also on the weekly. I mean, it will be all very overextended. So please don't be buying into it right now. I think it's not a smart choice here, because yeah, you're buying into overextended territorium, and always once you're buying into overextended territorium, it is very risky. So let me see what you guys are having. Let me see what you guys are having. Drink coffee or you're getting wrecked. Hugo is saying drink coffee or you're getting wrecked. That's completely true here. What about Uniswap? So many complaints about the V3 version for now on. I will be going into Uniswap in a second. But yeah, for VeChain, I definitely want to be very careful because the bearish divergence on daily will be insane. And we've been seeing it as well with Feta. Like look at Feta. It was doing exactly the same. It had this insane run up over here. Then, of course, we were creating a continuation pattern of the symmetrical triangle over here. Let me see. We were creating a symmetrical triangle over here. Since seeing the break of the symmetrical triangle, we went to a new all-time high. But then you were creating an insane bearish divergence, of course, and you can see it over here, and that pushed the price even lower. So, yeah, VeChain will be having the exact same market structure currently. So don't like to see what we're currently having with VeChain, so I definitely want to be raising the awareness, and you do want to be very careful with VeChain currently. So let me go into the next request here that we are currently having here. So that's of course Dave Reese, and Dave Reese is saying, "Hey, Crypto Rover, hey, hey Dan, you're saying, yeah, Crypto Rover, hey Dan. So yeah, my name's Dan. If you were wondering, you're saying I think it would be appropriate to have a minute silence for those who are not holding glitch here." So yeah, you're saying it once again here, my friend. You're saying once again, talking about glitch, you're shilling it every single day, and I mean you're a real shill, man. You're a real shill. But yeah, I mean, yeah, probably everyone has been seeing it as well in the stream here. So it's been performing very well here, and I truly love it that I got into it. So of course I got into it on the exact right right time here. So of course very exciting to see here for the past 7 days here, guys. We're already seeing an increasement of approximately 3x here. So yeah, that's absolutely insane here. I will be not here. I will be not silenced for this minute, but definitely very exciting. And Dean Harvey, you're saying me a lot of XLM, a lot of Stellar Lumens requests here, guys. Definitely will be talking about Stellar Lumens in a second here, but glitch, of course, it's been performing so well here. I will be not silenced for a minute, but definitely Dave Reese, you know that I really appreciate it. So can't wait to see what the glitch is going to do here. But Mirror Protocol will be going into this, and after that I will be going into Stellar Lumens, guys. Do you want me to check Stellar Lumens? Let me know in the channel. Let me know in the chat right now. Do I have to go into Stellar Lumens? Say yes or no. Let me know right now. I think I will be having a lot of yeses. So I will be thinking that is very exciting. Of course, Mirror Protocol trading on $10.18 here. Sally going up here. I definitely want to be going into this chart here. Mirror Protocol. I see Hit BTC has it. So that's of course exciting. Oh, this is a very exciting chart. Yeah. I mean, for me, it's very hard to give my thoughts about this, man. Stop lying. Bitcoin is not dumping. That's true. Oh, I see a lot of yeses coming in here. I see a lot of yeses coming in here. But my friend, it's very hard to give my thoughts about the coin. Oh, I see so many yeses coming in. This is insane. This is insane, guys. I will be definitely talking about it. Maybe Yobi gives me more information. So, oh, guys, yes, I see so many yeses coming in the chat. This is absolutely insane. This is absolutely insane, guys. Yes, I will be talking about it. Give me a moment. I did not thought there was so much people that were willing for me to check this, but for me, Mirror Protocol, I don't see a lot of information in the chart. Definitely looks very exciting, but I mean, for me, it's very hard to give my opinion about the chart. It's just not giving me a lot of information. It looks to be that we're definitely in a higher low structure, so you want to be trading the trend. The trend is your friend till it ends, and it looks very good, my friend. So I mean, guys, before I go into Stellar Lumens, I see it's performing very good here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. We're heading towards the we are of course almost 250 subscribers, so we are of course at 1/4 of the 42k already. So of course we are moving up very significantly. But let me talk a little bit about the price action of Stellar Lumens. So what is currently going on with Stellar Lumens? Are we looking good here? It is definitely looking very exciting, and I think we can't stop here. We are looking particularly good here. So my reasons behind Stellar Lumens, why I do think it's looking good here. I mean, you can see Stellar Lumens structure is very, yeah, it's straightforward. You can see here we're moving to the upside, moving up, moving down. And of course here, I know exactly, Stellar Lumens was breaking through the previous resistance on the top side. Previous all-time high was getting broken. Then we were finding support on it, and then Bitcoin corrected. And over here, Bitcoin corrected, pushes Stellar Lumens lower, had another retest of the 36 cents, and then we went higher, find resistance on the previous, find support on the previous resistance, and right now we are moving up again. So definitely very exciting. And of course this is a fake out, what you can see over here, but right now having another touch of this one, and of course seeing another breakout, and of course another successful retracement and finding support on the level. It is looking particularly well and particularly bullish, and I just can't wait to see what we're going to do here. And I definitely think we can be seeing some higher price getting created anytime soon here. So I mean, Also, definitely a level that I should be looking at for Stellar Lumens for the next major resistance. Of course, we're currently still forming a bearish divergence, but it is, of course, like I told you before, not a very significant one because it's very easy to invalidate. So, I mean, it's not necessarily a bad thing that we are seeing. Of course, bearish divergences are never good here. That is one that we can easily invalidate because this one is sitting on 74 points and we're currently trading on 68 points. So, it's exactly 6 points increasement in the RSI, and that's, of course, not very hard to do. So, yeah. Stellar Lumen is easily going to reach a target. Of course, we're probably heading towards the 78 cents here because that's the next major target in the Fibonacci channel. And of course, since we are breaking through the previous high over here, and like I told you before, this is a fake out because we were seeing Bitcoin correcting by them. And because, yes, I was looking to Stellar Lumens as well a lot. And I saw it was breaking through the previous all-time high and, of course, finding support on it. And then Bitcoin freaked out and pushed the price lower. So, yeah, you can be really counting this one as a fake out. And right now seeing the breakout once again, finding perfect support on this level. Right now moving higher once again here. So, yeah, we're definitely heading towards 78 cents here. And if we're reaching this target, guys, we are definitely going to find some resistance on it. But, I mean, are we really going to not smash through this level? I definitely think we will be smashing through this level because, yes, I feel very excited about Stellar Lumens. So what can we be also seeing on the 4 hour? The 4 hour, is it looking good? I mean, it's very hard to give my exact bullish opinion about it. I mean, I definitely want to be bullish on it, but the 4 hour MACD is not looking particularly well here because, guys, you can see here we are still setting lower lows here. So there are more sell orders coming in here and also currently setting still a lower high. So for me, in order to flip bullish on Stellar Lumens on the MACD right now, because the MACD is very important because of course, the MACD is very important because you are having the momentum indicator, and the momentum indicator is just very important to look at. You can see you're still setting a lower high. So if we can be pushing a little bit higher and set a higher high in this price chart as well, we can be possibly looking towards higher highs, for some higher targets anytime soon here. And of course, will be just very important for me. Hopefully we can be seeing it, hopefully we can be working all together, and of course seeing this target getting reached here. But I definitely want to be feeling very excited about it. Hopefully we can be pushing higher. Of course, we're currently seeing a bullish crossover on the 4 hourly MACD playing out here. This is already looking particularly good here, but hopefully we can be reversing this trend here to set a new high, of course, over here. So also the daily candles, I mean, you're still in a downtrend on the daily. You're still setting a lower low here, lower high as well. So yeah, like I told you before, definitely want to be seeing also a takeout of this high over here because, yeah, I mean, the MACD is, in my opinion, very important and you just can't ignore it because it is just very important to look at. And let me also look at the 200 and 400, 250 moving average. We are looking good on these. Finding support on the bullish crossover also played out over here. Let's see how this will be ending. Not necessarily bad here, not necessarily bad. This is still looking valid. This is still looking good as well here. Yeah, 20-day moving average also looking good here. So yeah, I mean, these other indicators are looking good here. Let me also flip onto the EMA ribbon. We are also trading above the EMA ribbon, so that's also valid. But guys, yeah, I mean, only the MACD, so the momentum indicator is definitely telling us, yes, we are going higher, but we are not necessarily setting, we're going higher, but we're not necessarily regaining buying strength. So that's, of course, pretty unfortunate to see. Let's see how this will be ending, of course, because, yes, guys, we are currently trading, of course, above the previous highest 4 hourly candle close over here. And of course, if you also flip onto the daily, I mean, let me draw the daily resistance. I think the daily resistance is more significant because you can see here daily resistance was getting formed over here. Previous the highest daily candle close. For me, it will be very important for Stellar Lumens, guys, because this day will be very important for Stellar Lumens. Let's see where it will be closing, because guys, if we are going to see a daily candle close above this a previous all-time high of the daily previous highest daily close, this will be, of course, very good because we're starting a new uptrend again. So I see also the bakery tuning in here. You're saying, what about the dollar price? So we'll be going into in a second. We'll be going into it in a second. But of course, for Stellar Lumens, it will be just very important to close the daily candle above the previous highest daily close, because then we're definitely in an uptrend, because otherwise we're creating a wick once again, and we can be maybe looking for a possibility of a reversal. So please wait to see where this daily candle close. Hopefully you can be closing above it, because yes, I want to be feeling very excited about it, but currently it is just not giving me the exact opportunity. So also upper sloping resist line is currently still getting formed here. So let's see how this will be ending. But guys, let me go into the dollar index. Hopefully I explained it well enough here for you guys. But what are we currently seeing with the dollar index? And guys, you know the dollar index is one of the biggest enemies for the Bitcoin price and the cryptocurrency space in general. So yeah, the lower the dollar index is going to fall, the better it will be for the cryptocurrency space. So we've been seeing a breakdown of a symmetrical triangle. Then we are re-entering it once again. But let me remove this line over here. I mean, I don't think it's very necessarily very valid over here. But what you can see currently is that we are still setting... yeah, we are currently setting not a lower low yet here. We're still in a high low structure, but also a lower high structure. So Yes, we've been falling for the past 2 days, what is very beneficial for the crypto price. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do. But guys, in general, you definitely want to be looking for the dollar index. And of course, what you can be really identifying with the dollar index is just very easy to say, because we are definitely in a downtrend. We are definitely in a downtrend. We're setting lower highs, lower lows in the bigger picture. So, I mean, do you really want to be holding fiat? I don't think so. Do you want to be holding crypto? Yes, definitely. Because, yeah, I mean, if you're comparing these charts, it is just very easy to give my, I mean, the dollar index is just, it is just way too it's worth absolutely nothing, so you can't even compare it with each other. So I mean, definitely want to be staying away from the dollar. I mean, guys, you want to be holding crypto, not the dollar. If you want to be saving your money, please don't save it on your bank account, because yes, guys, let's say you're saving $1,000 on your bank account. Yes, the next year you still have $1,000 on your bank account, but there's more inflation than you're getting rent or interest on your account. So actually what happens is that you're losing buying strength each and every year while you're saving. So of course the inflation will be becoming more and more because they're printing more money, and of course we are sitting at an all-time high of getting money getting printed here. And so you definitely want to be very careful, especially with the pandemic. Crisis is laying around the corner. The great economic depression is coming, guys. And the only boys and girls that are going to be successful and are going to survive the economic crisis is that are the guys who are currently in crypto. And you're maybe thinking, you're talking absolutely nonsense, but guys, you have to know it. Once you are right now in crypto, you're of course hedging against the inflation, and you're of course not going to get wrecked by the economic crisis, because there will be hyperinflation. I can already tell you. And the funny part about it, I mean, I don't think it's funny, of course, but it will be very bad, because a lot of people are going to live poor, etc. But 90% of the people are absolutely going to get wrecked. They save their whole life. They save money every single month for, let's say, the future or whatever. And then there is just the government, the Federal Reserve, they are printing like crazy, and of course your money is worth nothing. So please don't be the one who's saving in fiat. And also, let's say your grandparents or your parents, or I just saying something. If you have them and you see that they're saving money in fiat, please help them as well. Even though that they don't understand it, you can help them always, guys. I mean, I don't want to be having this all over again of 2008. A lot of people are going to probably get very poor, and I mean, you want to be, of course, you can't do anything about it. The only thing that you can currently do here is help the most amount of people be on the right side here. So please, very important, very important. Let's see what we're going to do. And of course, guys, it's the dollar index. They are saying Bitcoin is backed by nothing, but what is backing the dollar index? Absolutely nothing. Cardano will be never this cheap again, ever again. ADA, that's definitely true, bro. I mean, I did it as well here, guys. Yesterday, I told you guys about the Cardano price action. You just don't want to be missing out. You just don't want to be missing out. If you're not holding any Cardano currently, you're definitely going to miss out. That's very good potential reward. So, I mean, guys, like I told you before, don't make these videos for nonsense. I don't make these videos for no reason. Definitely very beneficial to watch, and definitely very beneficial if you're currently going to hold some Cardano as well, guys. So, don't forget to hold it. Don't forget to hold it, and you don't want to be missing out as well. So let me go into this. Let me go into the donations here. So I saw a donation coming, I think. So what do you? Sorry, I see the chat is absolutely going so quickly here, guys. The chat is absolutely going quickly. Also, everyone's talking about putting everything in crypto. I mean, of course, you want to be having risk management, but definitely worth to do so. Definitely worth to do so. How much longer are you going to stay in Dubai? I'm going to stay here for another 2.5 weeks. So definitely very exciting. Definitely very exciting. BTC buying the top is not good advice. But I mean, if you're not going to buy Bitcoin right now, where are you going to buy it, my friend? Where are you going to buy it? Where are you going to buy your Bitcoin if you're not going to buy it right now? My question is that for you. My question is for you. If you're not willing to buy Bitcoin on 58k, where are you going to buy it? 100k? 200k? 300k? I mean, come on, man. You don't want to be missing out. YLD, I see a request for YLD. I mean, definitely want to be discussing YLD every single day, guys. I mean, it's been performing very well here the recent days here. Was climbing from the 70, it was been climbing since the past 2 days here for already 10% once again. I mean, it's been climbing here the recent days here. Was sitting on 70 cents approximately, and right now sitting on 77 cents. So it's of course very exciting. So the bakery once again donating $5 to the channel. Bakery, you're saying Keep it up. So absolutely amazing here. Absolutely amazing. And Jonathan, you're saying, did you get my super chat? I can't see it right now. So I will be going into your super chat in a second. But first, the bakery, thank you for, of course, your amazing sticker. Keep it up. But Jonathan, you're saying, weird, Bitcoin resistance is below the 60k CME gap. So let me go into it. So because yeah, I was just about to discuss Bitcoin once again. So Bitcoin resistance is just about to be below the 60k CME gap. Yeah, guys, we are still trading in the CME gap. We still have a CME gap approximately on the top side of 61.2k here. Of course, the CME gap is still yet to get filled here. Definitely very exciting. And I see all of these kinds of people saying super bullish on YLD in the chat. And guys, of course, I was talking about YLD as well here. Give me a second before going into depth of Bitcoin. But definitely, I feel very excited by YLD. And I mean, the most funny part about this is that we are all, probably a lot of you guys on the channel are in with me with YLD right now. And of course, we are going to make all these profits together, and I'm not going to make them alone. And that is the part that I truly love about it. And I mean, this is definitely the asset that I've been looking for. And of course, I see the development. I see what is coming in the coming days. And I mean, I've never felt so sure about a certain coin, and that is the reason why I'm telling this to you guys as well here. I'm not telling this out of no reason. I'm telling this because the crypto space, you can be gaining all together. And that is, of course, the reason why I'm discussing this every single day. And this is also my reason. I mean, I won't be surprised if we're going to see a 7 or 10 US dollars YLD in just a matter of 2 weeks, or 2 months here. Because, guys, you want to be knowing the comparisons. You know how it can go in the cryptocurrency space, and you know it can be going exponential on a very rapid pace here. Just look at Voyager. It was trading on, let me go to the market capitalization. It was trading exactly as well on 60 million, let's say 60 towards 80 million market capitalization for the whole time, and it just was going up towards 1.5 or 1.6 billion in just a matter. Let me see, in just a matter of January, in just a matter of 1 month, we were rising towards this target on the top side. This is absolutely insane. This is 20x in just a matter of a month. Guys, we can do the exact same here with YLD. And of course, it is currently my biggest asset in my portfolio. So, I mean, I would be really love to see it climbing so quickly, and I definitely think it can be climbing so quickly. So guys, I mean, make sure to not miss out on it. Make sure to not miss out on it. But for Bitcoin, guys, let me talk about the CME gap. Yes, we are, of course, still finding resistance below the top side of the CME gap. Yes, we are still going to fill out the top side of the CME gap. But do I really look a lot of CME gaps? Guys, you already know it on the channel. No, I don't do so, because the reason why here, guys, the reason why here is because, yes, there is still a CME gap sitting around 9.7k here. And let me know in the chat, guys. I see the chat, of course. Do you think that we're going to fill the CME gap around the 9.7k here? I truly don't anticipate that we're going to see... I don't truly anticipate that we're going to see this target getting reached here. And people are talking, people are asking me how much exposure Rover in percentages, and I can give you my percentages. I can be right now looking it up for you, by the way. I think it is approximately 23% or so, or I mean, I think it's 20%. I will be looking it up right now for you. I mean, let me see. YLD is currently, I don't see the percentages. I have to calculate a little bit. I think it is near the 20% currently. It's near the 20% of my portfolio is in YLD right now. So I think I am extremely exposed to it. So it's definitely not an asset that I just say to you guys for no reason. I'm myself as well usually exposed to it. And guys, maybe I can be making a portfolio video one day. In terms of percentages, I will be probably not discussing my real digits, because yeah, it's not smart to discuss it. You probably know it as well yourself. It's not smart to discuss your financial situation, so I will be not doing it. So I mean, yeah, for YLD, definitely big exposed to it as well. And I mean, you can see the CME gaps, guys. You all say, do you expect the 9.7k getting reached here? No, of course not. I mean, guys, nay, I mean, are we really going to reach the target? No, definitely not. Definitely we're not going to reach the target. So do I really look at the CME gaps a lot recently? Not necessarily, because yes, they tend to get filled, but they don't necessarily have to get filled here. So yeah, very exciting. But yeah, the main reason why we're finding resistance is because of this resist line here on the top side. So I mean, for me, still will be waiting till we are going to see the breakout. Can't wait to see whether we're going to see it. And guys, by the way, I'm going to work as well on the Telegram group here. I see a lot of people always talking about Telegram. So you can be also joining our Telegram group right now. As to for slow mode, if it gets for... okay, wait, I will be enabling slow mode in a second. But guys, I've just also started up this Telegram group here. So you can be joining the Telegram if you want to in the live chat currently. It's pinned in the live chat. So if you want to be joining it, definitely make sure to do so. Would be of course very amazing if you can be helping us to to make this also bigger here, because I want to be helping you guys as well here to make this big community as well on Telegram, because you guys seem to love Telegram. So if you go to the pinned comment here in the live chat, you can see the Telegram group here. I'm just quickly checking it up here. It's still working over there, so if you want to be checking it out, you can definitely go to there. I've not got moderators on it yet here, and I still have to do adjustments on the channel as well here. So there will be a lot of things changing up over there still. But definitely, if you want to be joining it, the Crypto Rover group here, make sure to check it over there. I'm heading out, Crypto Rover. Crypto Ethereum still will be here. So Dean Harvey, hopefully you're going to have an amazing day here, and I will be checking you guys. We'll be checking you later, Dean Harvey. Thank you for being here once again here. So Isaac donating to the channel, and you're saying 1 and CRF, please. So let me go into one right away here, my friend. And in the meantime, let me quickly look at the subscriber count. Yeah, guys, we're absolutely heading towards 41.3k already. So that's, of course, very amazing. But let me go into Harmony 1 for you, my friend. Let me go into Harmony 1. But yeah, for Bitcoin, we're just mainly finding resistance on this top side. The CME gap is not necessarily one that I should be... this resistance line is, of course, the CME gaps is not necessarily a thing that I should be looking at. And and see also happy QQQ, Wall Street bet tokens, should I keep holding? And I will be going into that in a second, because I got some very exciting news about it, guys. Because yes, there was a lot of, I will be going into it in a second. First, I will be going into one, because guys, we have to be taking it slow. We have enough time here. Let me see how long live already. 1 hour and 23 minutes, guys. We still have enough time here to spend more time together. And probably I will be getting called as well here in a second to for the room service, I think. So let's see what it will be doing here. So, like I told you yesterday as well on the channel, guys, for Harmony 1, I just want to be seeing a breakthrough of this resistance line of this channel over here, because you want to be seeing the daily close above this line here in order for me to flip bullish, because yes, we are still definitely in a downtrend. We are still getting pushed lower. And do I expect a breakout to the upside today? No, I don't think so. I still think that we're going to create a wick and maybe push a little bit lower, because this is just a third touch here. There's a probability that we're going to smash through it. I truly hope to see this breakthrough, but I don't think it's very likely to see this breakthrough getting played out here. So let's see how this will be ending here. Hopefully we can be seeing the breakthrough anytime soon here, but do I truly anticipate it? Not necessarily. Hopefully we can be seeing it, but let's see what it will be doing here. Hopefully, if we are going to break out, guys, the target will be, of course, at the top side of this wedge here. We'll be, of course, pushing it up and pushing the price up for 46%. But you just want to be seeing the daily candle close above this line here. Do I expect it right now? No, not necessarily. I do think there will be some more touches here, because we just started this downtrend. It can be taking way longer. We're just consolidating for 43 days here. It can be maybe approximately taking, let's say 50 or 60 days here. But hopefully we can be doing it already for today for you guys, because I know a lot of these communities, a lot of the people in the community currently are loving one. And of course, if we are going to see a breakout to the upside, it will be definitely very exciting and definitely very beneficial for you guys as well here. So let's see what we can do here. I definitely feel very cool about it. So, what are you also requesting from me, my friend? You're saying CRF here. Harmony 1, still is consolidating. It's still in a downtrend currently. If you're buying into a downtrend, it's always risky in my opinion, because the likelihood that it is going to go lower is way higher than it's going to see an increasement of price. So CRF, I think it is curve token, right? Curve. Sorry, it's curve token. Sorry, I just selected the wrong one. Curve token. What's going on? What is going on? Once again, it's my laptop, I think. It's my laptop. So, curve token, of course, very exciting. Trading on $3.66 here. This one has been, of course, not doing anything in the past days here. Been going sideways, basically. It's been still in an uptrend because it's still setting higher lows. But the RSI is definitely in a downtrend. And I think someone is knocking on my door. I don't know for sure. He has to knock a little bit harder in order for me to hear it correctly. But yeah, what you can see your CRF here, definitely in downtrend on the RSI. And people were also asking me, what do you mean with the downtrend on the RSI? This is not that significant, right? So guys, what I basically tell with this, what this is basically telling you is that the buyers are losing strength here. We're definitely in a downtrend in terms of overextended and in terms of buying strength. So we are losing the momentum to the upside. So that is what this RSI is basically telling us, and that is what we also can see currently with Bitcoin on the higher time frame. So this is of course pretty shocking and pretty unfortunate to see. So this is also the reason why I don't necessarily expect a new all-time high getting created. Of course, the current price chart is very hard to read because we are looking to set a high and then a higher high and then a lower high. So not necessarily a pattern unfolding, currently. So yeah, let's see what it will be, where it will be going towards. Maybe people will be saying, yeah, this is some kind of a diamond pattern, but guys, I don't like diamond patterns, like I told you before. I don't think they will be always showing the significance. Besides that, the MACD, you are having, this is looking particularly good here. You can see on the MACD is that you're forming a higher low structure. Currently not necessarily higher highs, but at least the setting strength is losing, and that's already the good first step that you're looking at. And for the 4 hourly, you can see currently as well that you're forming higher lows as well. So you're losing by setting strength as well on the RSI here, on the 4 hourly time frame. But still as well, the buying strength is also losing. So basically this is telling us that the volume is dropping, or that we are getting the equal amount of buyers and sellers. So I mean, not necessarily anything special unfolding currently in the price chart of CRF. It's going sideways, and it's not giving me a signal that we are going to see an insane volatile move getting created anytime soon here. So yeah, let's see what it will be doing. But guys, I see the request. The next request was about Wall Street bets and that coin. And guys, this is very exciting because I made a video about it. Look over here. I made a video about it while I'm selling my Dogecoin to the new Wall Street bets coin. And people were calling me crazy. People were saying, Rover, you're promoting a scam coin. And first of all, it's no paid promotion or so. It was a thing that I saw with my a member of my team, a community member. We're seeing this coin, and it looks very well here. So people were saying, "Oh, Rope, that's a scam," but because on the Wall Street side, on the side of the Wall Street bets on the Reddit page, everyone was saying this is a scam. But the point here is, everyone in Wall Street bets, they don't like crypto. But the owner, and this of course Jamie Rokosinski, he started this cryptocurrency, and he got kicked out of the Wall Street bets. And I mean, there's a long story, but what the moral of the story is, and what the end of the story, the exact end thoughts of the story is that it is not a scam coin, because the CEO, the creator of Wall Street Bets, created also this coin, but he got kicked out of the Wall Street Bets on the Reddit page. So, guys, there are also 110k people on the Telegram, and it's definitely not a scam coin. And I mean, I'm still holding strong on this one. Will be holding this one, and I definitely think it will be giving us very good returns, especially because I'm buying into it very early. So, I mean, of course, you want to be doing your own strategy, but of course, Wall Street Bets, they are just new to crypto as well, and they're definitely going to have a lot of influence over here because there are a lot of people interested in it. So what this coin is basically doing here is that you can be buying into it, and because you're buying into that coin, you can be they will be investing in certain coins, that they can be creating short squeezes why they can be pushing up the price. So it's exactly the same idea, only you're doing everything in one move, so you're not going to get wrecked here. So that is the reason why I bought into this one very early on, only 15 cents here. So I think it's very exciting, and of course in the future I think it will be having a lot of potential, because yes guys, crypto is still so small, and we're definitely going to make very good returns with it. So that was of course this super chat that we were getting from let me see, from Happy QQ. I can't see it right now on the screen here, but unfortunately, I don't know why it's working so weird, etc. But yeah, I definitely like the Wall Street Bets coin right now, and I think it's very exciting. And guys, by the way, what is also very exciting, that we are currently having 755 likes. And guys, if you want to be right now smashing up that like button, only 45 more people before reaching the 800 likes, guys. Can we be smashing up to 800 likes? And in the meantime, we're also exactly 19 subscribers away before reaching the 41.3k. And if you are not a subscriber of the channel yet here, make sure to become one right now, because yes guys, the channel is still growing like crazy. We are not going to stop here. And of course, the 50k will be our next stop. And like I told you before, tomorrow or maybe in the end of the day, I will be announcing the winners of the ledgers and the max. And of course, I will be sending it as soon as possible. The ledgers are still yet to come to my place, and of course it takes pretty long before I can ship out these ledgers. And probably if you're being a winner, it can still take a month from the place on that we're currently at before you're receiving, because of course depends on where you live. If you live, let's say, in Europe, it will be way quicker, but you have to know it's no scam. We always are fair. And of course you can be also posting something on Instagram, and then you can be reposting it. And guys, make sure to follow me in the meantime as well on Instagram. Would be of course very amazing if you're doing so, because then you're following an amazing channel here. And of course, we're trying to make daily content as well on Instagram, and there are some very cool things coming up as well here with some collaborations, etc. So it will be amazing if you're following me over here. I mean, currently having 3,750 followers. Will be amazing if you're following me over here. You can see a lot of cool stories that you can be seeing from my Inside Live, and if you want to be following me, definitely make sure to do so, because yes guys, can we be reaching the 4,000 followers maybe in the coming 2 weeks here. That would be amazing if we can do so. And I mean, yeah, you just want to be following it over here if you are interested in my personal life, etc. And of course, also the Twitter page. So let me go back into the chart. Let me see what the requests currently are from you guys. Let me see what you guys are having for me. Let me see. Shiba just spent 50% last hour. I mean, guys, you want to be very careful with that coin. You definitely want to be very careful with that coin. Once again, of course, probably a lot of hype around it, and I do get it because it is increasing approximately 1200% here in the past 7 days. But this coin is just way too risky in my approach. And you can see, look at this. This is very immature coin. And I mean, I don't like these meme coins. I don't like these meme coins because they have almost no fundamental worth about it. And you know it. If you're buying into these coins once it's sitting so high in market capitalization, you're going to go and get wrecked here. So please don't be the one who's going to get wrecked. And maybe it's heading towards the maybe it's going to 100%. Maybe it's going to give you 100% returns from the current point. But then still, I do think if you're here for the long run, you're definitely going to get wrecked here. And in my opinion, it's way too risky to buy into it. So let's see what we're going to do. Why is Shiba going up? Because people are FOMOing. Because the dumb money is currently entering the market, and they are going to all get wrecked here. So please don't be the one. Don't be the one. And I see some people spamming the chat here. So let me quickly adjust this one, guys. Let me quickly adjust this one and set this timer so you guys can't spam. So you guys, I mean, so this guy over here can't spam. And guys, this is what happens. Oh, Crypto Aaron is already in front of me. So okay, thank you so much, Crypto Aaron. Once again, helping us out here. So I see everyone talking about Doge. Okay. I see some other people talking also about Dogecoin. Is Dogecoin doing something interesting? Not necessarily right now. So Dent, we already discussed that one earlier on today. Let me see if there's a different asset that we want to be discussing over here. Let me see. Polkadot. I see Polkadot. Yes, Polkadot. Let me go into Polkadot here. Haven't discussed this one yet here. I mean, Polkadot, of course, very exciting, guys. What we can as well see over here. Polkadot currently trading above the we broke out the symmetrical triangle, and like I told you yesterday as well, we're still not doing anything interesting currently. But for me, there's no reason to panic over here. And the reason why here is, of course, we are trading on this horizontal daily support level and also the breakout target of the symmetrical triangle. So multiple things coming together, and it's definitely looking very exciting in my opinion. So let's see what it is going to do. I definitely think we're going to see the 45.80 cents getting rich anytime soon here, like I told you yesterday as well. And of course, don't expect to create volatility right away here. It can sometimes take a while here before really blasting off to the upside. But definitely it's looking very good here. And definitely it's looking like we can be seeing potential very high returns here. So yeah, guys, don't make sure to not miss out on this one. Because yes, it is definitely looking very exciting. It's definitely looking very good as well here. And I can't wait to see what we're going to do here. Because yes, trading on support is always providing you buying opportunity. Also, definitely the breakout target is sitting way higher, of course, as well. Right now trading on the support line that we are currently trading on. The $60 for Polkadot is getting reached as well anytime soon. And like I told you as well here, guys, you have to know how the market cycle and the market structure works here. We tend to first pump with Bitcoin, then it shifts. I have to take this one. Good evening, good afternoon, you speak with Dan. Yeah, can you come in 1 hour from here on? Perfect. So yeah, I thought, okay, we'll be taking it up right away here because that's for the room cleaning. But they always call me every single day. But maybe I have to just say to them, just comment at the same time every single day. So where was my story? It was, yeah, of course, first the money goes into Bitcoin, the money from Bitcoin flows into Ethereum, and after that it goes into these other altcoins. So definitely DOT is one that is going to follow as well here. It's currently still sitting on P8. Definitely think it will be taking some territory and back here. Will be definitely going to overtake Tether probably. And I mean, I see also some people talking about which coin can we definitely buy right now for good returns. I mean, XRP is definitely a safe buy that you can do right now for potential very good returns. Is that your... No, I will be not. Where's the Wall Street Bets coins listed? It is on PancakeSwap. So you can be finding it on CoinGecko. If you want to be seeing it, it's on CoinGecko. It's not listed yet on CoinMarketCap, but they told me that they're working on it currently. So let's see what we're currently having. Is that your entertainment calling? Guys, no. What are you saying? You guys are all saying... Yeah, you're getting wrecked. I mean, no, man. The room, it's just a room service. So what is ADA doing? Not a new automate currently yet created. Not yet created yet. Dave Reese once again saying glitch, of course, because you are a huge fan of it. Are you familiar with Cardstarter? Yes, I've been talking about it recently. Of course, it's a pretty exciting project. Buy glitch right now for good returns. You're saying it every single day, Dave Reese. You are absolutely crushing it. You're crushing everyone. The new Polkadot, I know. I mean, I'm a huge fan of Polkadot. Everyone's laughing. Everyone is laughing. So yeah, I mean, Cardano is still creating more voltage to the upside, even though it's currently creating a minor bearish divergence here on the 4 hour. Lower high on the RSI, high in the price chart, but it's easily to invalidate this one. It's not very overextended. It is not being very overextended. Not just like Ethereum, you know. 800 likes. Are we having 800 likes? That is absolutely insane, guys. Let me see. Oh, only 14 subscribers. Okay, if we smash through the 800 likes, you guys are absolutely insane. 804 likes. I mean, yeah, Timmy, you are, of course, truly celebrating correctly. I mean, I find it also very amazing, guys. 800 likes. I can't imagine you guys smashing up the like button so hard. Can you check Uniswap? Of course. I promise to look into Uniswap as well. Let me go into Uniswap. Let me go into Uniswap and see what we're currently having. So, Uniswap, of course, very exciting. You can see an insane upward sloping support line getting created. Of course, this is definitely providing the uptrend. And what you can see as well here, yeah, RSI is in a downtrend, so we are creating bearish divergence each and every time. So that's pretty unfortunate. But again, here, it's not very insane bearish divergence, so it is easily to invalidate. So not necessarily a bad thing to see. So yeah, we were creating maybe some kind of a rising wedge formation here. But yeah, since seeing a breakout to the upside, we're currently finding support on this level. So that is, of course, very exciting. And hopefully we can be seeing a breakout anytime soon here. Definitely think that we can be seeing so. So yeah, what we are currently as well seeing here is equal highs getting created, but higher lows getting created. So yeah, definitely the selling pressure is losing currently. So that's, of course, nice to see, beautiful to see as well. So that can be definitely pushing up the price a little bit more. Besides that, yeah, it's not necessarily looking bad here. But let me also flip onto the MACD for the 4 hour candles. 4 hourly MACD. Yeah, this is not necessarily looking good here. You are creating a higher low here, and it looks to be reversing currently, so that's, of course, nice to see. Also, the downtrend from the standing pressure is also done here, because yes, we were having a lot of standing pressure over here, and we're also having a bullish crossover currently. And I mean, let me check the daily, by the way. Daily is still, yeah, the daily is currently having a bearish crossover, so this can be quite bearish still. So let's see what it will be doing for Uniswap. I mean, since V3 was getting launched, we were seeing some volatility getting created as well. People were getting very exciting, but of course, we're currently trading on support. So that is, of course, a thing that you want to be looking for. And yeah, the support will be probably working very well. And besides that, we are also trading on support of the daily EMA. And of course, the daily EMA can be still providing more legs to the upside as well. So not necessarily looking bad for Uniswap. And I definitely think we can be seeing some higher prices getting created anytime soon here, guys. Definitely feel very excited about it. For me, there's no exact reason to really panic about Uniswap currently. I do feel very excited about $40 US and 25 cents here. Very exciting, very exciting. Glitch hasn't even been listed. Then we will be seeing it exploding. Absolutely insane. Which exchange for yield, Uniswap or BitMEX? I mean, you can be using BitMEX, but I'm currently using just Uniswap, Ray. I'm just using Uniswap. But yeah, I mean, if you want to be paying less fees, you can definitely use BitMEX. Why not? And I mean, I'm let's say also using my YLD to gain interest on it, so that's the reason why I'm having it on my MetaMask account. So speaking of DeFi, Glitch is the only, and it's the block. I mean, you're shilling so much. You're shilling so much, Dave Reese, virtual legend, of course. Hi Dan, room service. I mean, are you the room service? No way. Dogecoin. Yeah, I mean, we can be talking about Dogecoin in a second. Room service. Yeah, okay, you're probably lacking behind a little bit because that was already 5 minutes ago, so. Because let me talk a little bit about Dogecoin, guys. Before I go into Dogecoin, let me quickly check it. Did we have the bullish crossover? Yes, guys, we also had a golden cross for Bitcoin, and the last time we got this was, of course, the last time we got this was in the 5th of February. And of course, since we were getting the golden cross, we were seeing, of course, the Elon Musk pump coming in here. So that was, of course, very exciting. So yeah, right now having once again a golden cross for Bitcoin. This is very good. This is looking very good for Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, I also expect that Bitcoin is going to move higher in the coming days here. So definitely looking very exciting. But let me talk about Dogecoin, guys. It seems to be that there's a lot of interest about Dogecoin, and this is very exciting. I mean, I was reading up. I mean, I read every morning about what is just currently going on in the space, and I mean, we've been talking about first of all, buy the rumors, sell the news. and that's exactly what happened. But yeah, right now we were seeing a reversal because, of course, Elon Musk. Let me go into the site here. Let me go into the this one. Let me see where it is. I mean, there's a new article. I don't see the old article anymore. But yeah, what is basically going on here is that Dogecoin, of course, it was seeing an increasement. And why? Because Elon Musk is going to buy a satellite, and he's going to call the satellite as well Doge 1 or so. I don't know exactly the name, but it was something with Doge. But the satellite will be purchased with 225 million US dollars worth of Doge. That's of course very exciting, and of course it will be very cool because yeah, he told us already that he is going to send Dogecoin literally to the moon, and this is of course his strategy, what he's going to do. This is what he means with sending Dogecoin to the moon. So I mean, yeah, it's very exciting to see, and I definitely think that's also the reason why we're moving up a little bit here. But I mean, yeah, I should be just, if you're holding Doge, I should be just holding it, not necessarily anything special. Of course, I sold the top. I bought back a little bit on the 45 cents here. So that's, of course, a very good target in general. But yeah, I mean, I sold the top because, yeah, I told you guys as well what you want to be doing. So I added approximately 30% more of my portfolio. I have 30% more Dogecoin right now because I sold the top, bought more, and now I have 30% more Dogecoin. So, I mean, it's pretty nice to do that I did so. So, I mean, yeah, definitely, I still think it will be going up here. I will be reaching $1 someday, but it will be not doing it just on Saturday Night Live show. But, you know, Elon Musk will be probably pushing it up higher, but this was just a pure big hype run up. And I mean, it's not done yet here as well. The cryptocurrency space will be growing as well, and that will be also dragging Dogecoin along with it, because more people getting exposed to the space, more people buying into Dogecoin, more money flowing into it. So yeah, it's not over necessarily yet, guys. So it's good that people are taking some profits. It's always good to have so, but also getting another supportive donation here from our old friend here. And let me see if it is coming into the screen, because I can't see it right now from who it is. Let me see. It is from Scott. Scott, thank you for the donation. You're saying engine, HBAR, synthetic. Thanks. You are the man, Rover. So let me go right away into engine, my friend. And thank you for supporting the channel, of course. Thank you for your 15 US dollars. So what are we currently seeing with Engine Coin? Engine Coin has been, of course, also going a little bit sideways here for the past few days here. What we can currently see as well is that we are forming an insane upward sloping supportive line here, and of course also an insane stealth downward sloping resistance line. So these two lines are coming together currently, and you can see that we are, of course, having this downward sloping resistance line 2, 3, 4 multiple touches at least, and also 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on the lower side. So yes, definitely support and resistance coming together. Definitely looking good here. I can't wait to see what it's going to go towards, but I definitely think we are going to see a breakout anytime soon. And of course, what you can currently see here is that we are looking to have a breakout today or tomorrow. We are very close with by the apex for the price action of Engine, of course. So I definitely want to be saying to you, I mean, yeah, we're definitely going to see a breakout. And of course, symmetrical triangles are continuation patterns, and we are creating this continuation pattern from a move to the upside. So definitely, you don't want to be missing out on this one. I definitely don't think that it is smart to miss out on this one, because it's definitely, of course, an uptrend, and of course, symmetrical triangle will be definitely breaking to the upside then, in my opinion. Of course, if you're going to see a breakdown, yeah, you can be seeing it, but please don't wait for, please don't open a short position, because definitely we are not going to reach the price target if we're going to break to the downside. So $4.30 will be my target for the upside, and it's definitely very exciting to see the target getting reached here, and I definitely think we're going to go way higher. And of course, the $4.30 here is already new all-time high, but still, you want to be knowing here RSI is definitely in the downtrend for Engine Coin, so that's of course pretty shocking. So yeah, we are still creating bearish divergence, and if we really can be identifying a new trend to the upside, because yeah, right now the momentum is just cooling off, but if we can be breaking the resistance line, maybe we can be starting a new uptrend then once again. So that will be very important for me. But yeah, let's see once we're going to break this resistance line over here and as well in the RSI. So in general, I feel very excited about it, and hopefully we can be seeing this breakthrough to the upside and see some more higher prices getting reached. But I definitely already anticipate that level getting reached. So you're also asking me about HBAR, and of course HBAR is also a highly anticipated coin as well here. It's very similar. I think HBAR is very similar with the price action. So let me go into HBAR. HBAR looking for a symmetrical triangle, and it was getting created on the 4-hour, and you can see currently that we are breaking down of this symmetrical triangle. And of course, I mean, I don't really want to be taking a short, but you do want to be I do want to be careful. I do want to be extremely careful currently, because yes, because we're moving down here, you can just see that we are creating a move to the downside, and you just want to be very careful because once seeing this move to the downside getting created, we can be pushed a little bit lower, but I don't truly anticipate the move to the upside getting created. I mean, people can be maybe saying you can be redrawing this one from the point of over here, but I don't think the significance will be that good over there. So you are currently seeing a breakdown. Price target is way lower, like I told you before. But I mean, are we necessarily going to see the target going to reach around the 14 cents? No, I don't think so. I think you want to be very careful with HBAR right now, and I think it will be consolidating for quite a long time here. It's already gone sideways for 56 days approximately, so please be careful. Don't be rushing into anything, but I should be just saying to you, you're still trading on support. I definitely think that you're not going to fall necessarily, but I think you're going to go just sideways here. Not necessarily seeing anything interesting besides that on the MACD, guys. You're seeing that you're having a bullish crossover on the 4-hour currently. On the daily, you're about to have a bullish crossover, but you're still definitely in a downtrend here. But even though you're sending a higher high, but still, you're seeing lower highs getting created with the standing pressure. So you're still daily in a downtrend. So you want to be careful with this one. Don't trade against the trend, because the trend is your friend till it ends, and you don't want to be getting wrecked by the trend. So maybe on the daily you can be redrawing it, and on the daily you can be maybe saying, on the daily you can be maybe saying, okay, we're still in this significant pattern, but I mean, for me, I should be really be very careful with this one. And I mean, looks to be breaking down, but you can be redrawing it as well here, but just stay on the sideline. Still, you are seeing a real direction getting decided on this one, my friend. So also synthetics, let me go into synthetics as well for you, my friend. So guys, already live for almost 2 hours, guys, but in the meantime, let's see if we already smash through it. And once again, we are only one subscriber away. What we were saying around to 41.1k here, we were also only one subscriber away, and we were sawing it live altogether. But guys, can we be smashing it up to 41.3k right now? That would be, of course, very amazing. If you want to be hitting that subscribe button, make sure to smash it up right now, because then we are smashing for this level, and this is very, very satisfying for me if we can be seeing this level getting broken here. Guys, it would be amazing if you're right now smashing up the subscribe button if you're willing to join us. And I mean, as you know, we are doing this every single day here, and it will be just very amazing if you can be smashing it up here. It will be just very cool if we can do this. And you see it over here, it already updated. So sometimes it updates a little bit later. As you can see, already 41.3k here, guys. Thank you so much for smashing it up once again. You guys are the best. You guys are the best community that I've ever wished for. And thank you so much here. But what are we currently having with synthetic? So synthetic is currently, of course, definitely in a downtrend. You're forming lower lows here, and once again, it is very, very satisfying. I mean, if we're going to see this, we smashed through here, guys. Thank you so much for smashing it up here once again. 41.3k here, absolutely amazing target. We are once again moving up and moving up. We are not stopping anytime soon here. So looks to be that we are trading in a parallel channel currently, and of course, parallel channels are very exciting to look at, in my opinion. It's a very exciting pattern, and you can just see it is just consolidation. Just sideways action here. And you can see top side is providing resistance, resistance, and you're just moving between these waves here. And of course, I definitely feel very excited about it. Don't necessarily think that we're going to really move either direction. Do want to be seeing the top side getting broken, because then we can be looking for higher prices. So that's of course the level that's currently holding us back. But in general, I feel very good about it, and I don't necessarily think that we're going to see a breakdown getting created. So I'm looking forward towards it. And of course, the top side of the $19 has to be broken for synthetic to in order to flip bullish again. But you have to know you're already having an insane run up getting started right now, consolidating. You're probably not going to create a new all-time high without creating a bearish divergence, so please be careful. But definitely you want to be breaking the upside before continuing the trend once again back higher. So happy QQQ. What should I sell to buy YLD? BTC, Ethereum, BNB, Litecoin. I mean, what I should be ready, I don't know. Happy QQQ. For me, I don't know exactly. I don't exactly know what your current scenario is. I mean, it really depends on what your how much BTC you have in percentage, how much Ethereum you have in percentages, and BNB as well. So I mean, these 4 assets, Happy QQQ, are all very good here. And these assets that you're talking about, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Litecoin, are all 3 very good. But even though I feel very excited about Litecoin, if I have to really choose out of one of them, I have to go with Litecoin or Ethereum. Because, Ethereum, you're selling it at all-time highs, and you are, of course, creating a big bearish divergence currently. And I definitely think, there will be still insane gains to be made with Ethereum if you're talking about long term. But maybe in the immediate short term, it's not going to give you the best return. So that is the reason why I may be saying it. But guys, we are also exactly only 2 likes away before reaching the 900 likes, guys. only 2 more likes before reaching the 900 likes. Guys, can we be smashing it up as well to 900 likes? That will be insane. You guys are, oh, we are breaking through records today, guys. 2 more likes before reaching the 900. That will be amazing. If you haven't already hit that like button, make sure to do so. Make the button blue. It's only taking a few seconds of your time. If you have a phone, just do this, make it right. Of course, hit that blue button. And I have not even hit it, so I hit it as well right now. So that will be, of course, very amazing if we can be right now seeing, yeah, we reached the 900 already, guys. You guys are absolutely insane. 911 right now, so that's of course very amazing. But happy QQ, let me know what your we see your status screen. I know. You guys see it. BitTorrent, please. So let me go into BitTorrent. Guys, I know that you see my status screen. That I'm doing this on purpose because then we can be seeing it all together. And of course, I currently not at home. So this is just what my setup is currently. So of course, I would have loved to have a better setup over here, but I just haven't got it yet here. So I will be getting an extra iPad, but unfortunately it's sold out right now. So I want to get another iPad, and that iPad you can be using it as second screen, but this currently sold out because I want to get the new iPad, right? So unfortunately it's currently sold out, so I can't get it. So that's pretty unfortunate. But definitely in general, I feel very excited about it, guys. I definitely feel very excited about it. So BitTorrent, of course, still trading. Currently trading in this parallel channel as well here, but you broke out to the upside, and of course that's very exciting because yeah, you can currently see that you're finding support on these levels, and this is of course very exciting to see here because once you're breaking out to the upside of this parallel channel, you can see we're currently finding support on it. So yeah, definitely you can be going a little bit higher, and you want to be keeping your eyes out on this previous high here on the RSI. And of course, because we're seeing this previous high getting created over here, you can see if we're going to go to new all-time highs, we're definitely going to create huge bears diverges. And of course, creating such a huge bears diverges will be definitely pushing the price a little bit lower once again if we're going to go further into time. So please be careful. Don't necessarily feel overexcited currently about BitTorrent. We're going to create huge bears divergences if we're going to see no all-time high getting created. But of course, we are already breaking out to the upside of this parallel channel. And because we're seeing a breakout to the upside of the parallel channel, we can be definitely looking for higher prices anytime soon here. So yes, we can be looking for higher prices, but insane bears divergences are yet to are still going to get created because yes, previously, guys, you want to be knowing after such a huge parabolic run up here, and if you're going to go for a new run up to the all-time high, you're definitely going to create a bears divergence, what will be in the end push the price even lower. So please be careful. I don't think that BitTorrent is a good asset to necessarily buy into. So please, I want to be raising the awareness. Don't be the one who's getting wrecked on BitTorrent. But I see Happy QQQ, you're saying 51% Bitcoin, 31% Ethereum, 6% ADA, 4% BNB, and small cap 6%. So I mean, you have a very good portfolio in my opinion, but I should definitely say Ethereum, my friend. Happy QQQ. I should definitely say Ethereum by then if that's your portfolio. Let me see. You feel excited about almost everything. I mean, I always feel very excited, especially guys. These streams are always very exciting, so that's the reason why. That is definitely the reason why. And guys, don't forget to follow me here on Twitter as well. Only 22 more followers before reaching the 5.4K here. It will be amazing if you're following me over here. Yeah, we are currently, of course, I mean, I really want to become more active about on Twitter as well here. So it will be amazing if you're following me over here. Twitter page, of course. We can be maybe doing a tweet altogether live anytime soon here, once again, but definitely very cool. Ethereum new all-time high. So let me go into Ethereum. Is the Ethereum farming new all-time high? Yeah, oh, it's been pumping very significantly indeed. Of course, Ethereum trading at new all-time highs. Let me quickly check up in the space in general, so you can see Ethereum 5% increasement. Yeah, Cardano only 1.5 right now. So yeah, currently Ethereum is leading the way once again. But yeah, like I told you before as well on the Instagram, guys, you know how the cycle works here. First is Bitcoin, then it's Ethereum, and the profits from Ethereum will be definitely flowing into the other larger cap altcoins. So that will be definitely pushing up the price of ADA, Litecoin, and the other altcoins. So yeah, also a reason why you want to be following me here on Instagram. But definitely, of course, don't get over. Of course, I do feel very excited about Ethereum right now. I definitely feel excited about it, but I just don't want to be feeling overexcited because, guys, you can currently see lower high getting created here on the RSI index, and a high getting created on the price chart. So this, of course, ending in a bearish divergence on the weekly candles, the 4-hourly candles as well. Lower high getting created, higher high in the price chart. So this, of course, also bearish divergence. So it's really you really want to be very careful with Ethereum right now, especially if you're buying at all-time highs. And I mean, yes, I definitely will be holding my Ethereum, but I mean, if you're holding, it doesn't matter. But if you're buying right now, you have more risk to lose money than make money, in my opinion. So, I mean, I should definitely say, yeah, if you're a holder, definitely just hold strong, just like me. But I should not suggest adding more to your position or buying into Ethereum right now. That's in my opinion, of course, about it. Everyone's saying Ethereum the Ultima. Yeah, I know, guys. We are seeing it currently. We are seeing it currently. Congratulations for all the people that are holding Ethereum, of course. And of course, I mean, it's definitely very exciting to see it once again increasing more in valuation. It looks to be that Ethereum is dragging the market along with it currently. Then, do you think VeChain can do something very significant? I mean, I do think it will be still moving up here, but in the end of the day, it will be also reversing very quickly. So let's see. Let's see. Do you buy YLD coin, YLD app, or YLD? I mean, I buy YLD app, not coin. YLD, there are two YLDs, but I buy YLD app. This is the asset I'm talking about. Currently, it's 77.7. That's absolutely insane. Let's see. Coin market cap says Wall Street Bets is a joke. So on the top of the page, it says Wall Street Bets is a scam. I mean, it's currently not on Coin market cap yet here, because this is a different project than this one. Like, let me go to CoinGecko. Like, it's only listed on CoinGecko yet here, because they're just getting launched. The project is just getting launched here. So this is Wall Street Bet app. Let me see if it loads. Wall Street Bets. Look over here. This one is this one. Wall Street Bets, the app. So yeah, this is of course, because then this is, let's say you're investing in a fund if you're buying this coin. So this is a different coin, and of course over here is not. These are not the same. These are not the same. So please be careful. So, Ashwin Palmbar, will Ethereum going to fall soon? Consolidation. I mean, I've been talking about. I've not been very bullish. I mean, I've always been bullish about Ethereum. But since seeing this consolidation in this rising wedge getting formed here, guys, I've been being a little bit more conservative. So I've been not necessarily bearish, but I've been saying you don't want to be trading it or you don't want to be buying it. So of course it's been going up here, but still it is too risky. If you bought over here, yeah, you could have made profits, but did you really bought into it because you think it's a good buying opportunity, or did you just bought into it because you have FOMO? And I think it is the second one, because the technicals, of course, are looking extremely bearish here still for Ethereum. And yes, I do feel very excited about the long term, but currently in the immediate short term, it's not necessarily looking good because of the bearish divergence. And always, once you're creating these bearish divergences, you want to be careful, because a bearish divergence, of course, is just going to push the price a little bit lower. And I don't necessarily think it's a good decision to buy these highs always, guys. So that is the reason why you should be saying, yeah, you want to be very careful. And yeah, it can be going for a correction, but of course calling a correction is very hard once you're in an insane pump to the upside. The only thing that I can say here is that you're in insane leg to the upside, and if you're buying an insane parabolic run up, you're absolutely going to get wrecked here. And that's the reason why I'm saying this. So you want to just be careful. Of course, like I told you before, I'm still holding Ethereum. I'm not necessarily bearish on it, but I just want to be raising awareness, because if you're buying into Ethereum right now, you have a major risk of not making any good profits, but more going to go lower. Because yeah, you're buying into a bearish divergence, you're buying at all-time highs, and I don't think it's going to give you the best returns. And there are other coins currently, guys. There are different coins that are looking way better. And like I told you before, you have to know how the market cycle works. It is Ethereum that's pumping, and the profits from Ethereum will be flowing into these different altcoins. So I mean, do you really want to buy a coin that's already pumped, or do you want to be buying in a coin that haven't pumped yet, that is going to pump? And I should definitely say you want to be buying into coins that haven't pumped yet here. And that's the reason why you should be saying, yeah, you can be rather buying into BNB, you can be rather buying into Cardano, XRP, Polkadot, Litecoin, Chainlink. I mean, these coins are definitely more safe, but still relatively safe, because they are, of course, top coins. So that's my argument currently. So please post the YLD address you're referring to. What do you mean? What do you mean? It's just YLD app. It's just YLD app here, if you want to be wondering. I don't know exactly what you mean. And if you want to be seeing the address, you can see you can be copying the contract over here and go to MetaMask. Let's see. Don't buy in for a 5% gain when you can buy a coin with a 50% gain here. That's completely true, Tyok Studio. So I can't turn Ethereum into SHIB. Because the miner fee is like 139. I mean, A-Place, why do you want to be buying SHIB? Let me know why you want to be buying that coin. I mean, that's definitely not an asset that I should be buying right now, because that's purely FOMO. Let me see. So the top 3 coins will be so what are your top 3 coins that you should be buying right now? I mean, if I, let's say, give you coins that are still relatively safe. So I'm talking about Cardano, Chainlink are definitely 2 of them. And I mean, I want to be saying YLD, but I will be going with top coins right now because yes, I've been talking about YLD every single day. But I mean, that's every single day you could buy Cardano, Chainlink, and I should be saying, yeah, I mean, Stellar looks also very good here. But Cardano, Chainlink, and Litecoin are definitely coins that I should be looking for right now. I mean, Litecoin not necessarily, but it's definitely looking particularly good here. Definitely looking particularly good. Maybe also PancakeSwap here, but I should be, if you're talking about safe coins, I think the spotlights will be going to Cardano and Chainlink for the coming months. So that's definitely a coins that you should be looking out for. So let me see. Ethereum to the moon. Yeah, definitely Ethereum is absolutely going to the moon right now. It's not stopping. Chip is growing quite fast right now. Yeah, I mean, you're absolutely having FOMO if you're buying into the coin. The FOMO is hitting you, my friends. The FOMO is hitting you. You're buying into it because it's growing rapidly. But you know, there are some whales that are pushing it up. I just can't stress enough about it. If people are buying into a coin that has been sitting so high, I mean, for me, it's too overextended, man. It's too overextended. And the chances of making good returns with it are still here. But the chance of losing a lot of money is way more likely. And I mean, I've been in the space for quite a while right now. I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm here on my YouTube channel to help you guys to also avoid these mistakes that I made. And this is definitely a mistake if you're buying into it right now. And of course, guys, I know what works better on YouTube. If you always say buy into this coin, if you're always bullish on crypto, and of course I'm always bullish on crypto in general, but if you're always bullish on every single coin, your channel is going to grow way quicker. But guys, you know here on the channel that I am here to make realistic thoughts and to give you a good thoughts and not get wrecked here, because there are a lot of channels currently that are always saying that everything is bullish, and I just don't like. Of course, sometimes everything looks very bullish, but in general in the cryptocurrency space, I've always been bullish. In general, always. But sometimes in the immediate short term, of course, in the lower time frames, I can be a little bit less bullish. And usually a lot of people don't like it. But of course, guys, I am realistic. And as well for this coin, this is to give you my realistic thoughts. You definitely want to be staying away from it because there are whales that are pushing up this price. And this is once again a meme coin. And do you really want to get into all these meme coins? Yes, maybe they can give you good returns. So just like SafeMoon, 90% gets wrecked, 10% makes insane gains here. Are you on the 10%? No, because the 10% already bought this sheep, and you are buying way higher, and they already make a 100x from you. And if you're buying right now, it's not smart. It's not smart. So let me see. Because I see also a new member. I see Jensel Ria becoming a member of the channel. Thank you so much for becoming a member of the channel. Absolutely insane. Thank you so much. Vex, thanks for keeping it real, bros. Thank you so much, man. I mean, I truly love the community that we are building up here, and I mean, we are having a fair community. And of course, guys, you are all hitting that subscribe button. It's absolutely insane here. We're absolutely growing so quickly, and it is so motivating that you guys are all hitting that subscribe button. I mean, if you haven't already, make sure to hit it, because yes, like I told you before, we are a realistic channel with realistic thoughts about the market, and that's definitely the reason why you want to be subscribing to the channel here, guys. So let me see. Check out Phantom, dude. So let me go into Phantom. I know I truly love Phantom, so that's definitely an asset I want to be discussing. So we've been looking for Phantom about a potential breakout of the symmetrical triangle, and you can see here we broke out to the upside, then we re-entered it, and we went higher again. So yeah, we are currently trading a bearish divergence. Bearish divergence getting created here. So this is not necessarily looking good here, but of course it's easily to invalidate, so not necessarily bad. So yeah, we can definitely still go higher. The price target is still setting higher for Phantom, so I should still say to you, Phantom is looking good here. So yeah, Phantom is looking good, but already we are very close to the price target. So from the point that we're currently trading on, Phantom will be another insane increasement of 16%. So yeah, Phantom looking good here. I like Phantom, sponsor of Pierre Gasly. I think there's a very good project, and I think it's definitely a coin that you want to be holding as well here. They're working very hard on the team, and I think it's a good asset, and it's currently also looking still very healthy. Even though it's currently creating a bearish divergence, it can easily invalidate it. Of course, the daily RSI is maybe starting a downtrend currently, so maybe we can be seeing a cool period getting started anytime soon here. But yeah, we're still setting a new all-time high. We're still setting higher highs. We're still setting higher lows. For me, there's no reason to panic. I've been talking about Phantom over here approximately I was making these tweets with Phantom, I was just saying, Phantom, keep your eyes on it, because I bought into it over here. And I mean, definitely a very good asset, and I definitely want to be saying, I mean, I will be still holding it. I will be here for the longer run, and I think there are a lot of good projects currently here that are going to probably perform very good in the long run here. So it's definitely very exciting, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do. Smash it up, guys. Let's go. Whoop whoop. That's definitely true. But Phantom, of course, we're definitely going to reach price target anytime soon here. So let me see. We're also getting another donation from John here, and let me see what John is currently saying. Guys, let me see real quickly. We are currently having 990 likes, guys. We're currently having 990 likes. Can you be smashing up that like button? That will be absolutely insane. That would be absolutely insane. Another 10 likes that we need currently. We need another 10 likes, and then we smash it up to 1,000 likes. Guys, can you be hitting up that subscriber button right now? Can you be hitting up that like button right now? That will be absolutely insane. So John is saying, is the bear market really a thing? In your opinion, what is going to happen after this bull run? And John, this is a very good question, because I still have very mixed thoughts about it, and I still have to make a better argument. I still really have to say what I really think right now, because I still have two sides of the story right now. But in the meantime, guys, we smashed it up to 1,033 likes. You guys are absolutely insane. But guys, to give you my thoughts about it, my friend, is the bear market really a thing? So first of all, it's different right now. I don't want to be saying it's different, because in 2017 everyone told me it's different. It's no bear market is coming right now. But of course, if you're going to say the exact same thing here once again, you're going to go to Rec City, right? So I don't want to be going to Rec City, but yeah, what is different right now, and why I do think the next bear market won't be as bloody as this one. I think there will be definitely a period where Bitcoin will be performing less good. That is definitely a fact. But will we really see a 90% correction? No. Will we be really seeing an 80% correction? No. I definitely think the maximum correction for Bitcoin can be maybe 60% in coming bear market, because yes, there will be definitely coming a period that we are going to see more downward momentum. But the point here is, what I think is very exciting is that so many people are currently anticipating a bear market, and a lot of people that I know, they're saying, oh, I'm going to sell on the top, I'm going to sell at this level, and then I'm going to wait for this target on 20k. And because everyone is anticipating that, because there is so much more awareness, I definitely think it will be different. I think a lot of people will be selling, but still the institutions, because it's insane institutional interest, they will be keep buying, because they know you guys will be selling. They know the retailers will be selling, and they will be benefiting from that. So that is what I think, and that is my reason also. Yes, it can be different this time, because the institutional interest is way more higher, and there's way more interest from these institutions currently. So that can be definitely changing things up here. And if these institutions are really going to buy your Bitcoin, if yours going to sell because you think the bull market is over, are we really at the end of the bull market? Because then maybe we think that we are at the end of the bull market, but in the end of the day, we are getting less Bitcoin and the big players are getting more. So that is, of course, not my strategy. So that's my reason why I told you also as well on the channel, I will be never selling all my Bitcoin. I will be only selling a partial bit of my Bitcoin once reaching 100k, because yes, I do think once reaching 100k it will be a huge sell wall. And in the end of the day, yeah, will there be really a bear market? It will be very interesting as well, John, because there will be coming an economic depression, because yes, because of the pandemic, we've been printing so much money, and of course the real economic hurt that we're going to get will be coming here later on. So that's definitely a thing that we still should be looking at. And will there be really a bear market? We will have to wait and see, because I don't have a glass ball, but these are my thoughts that I currently have here, and hopefully, guys, you have something to say about it as well here. Let me see. So, Madu2, can you look at Nano? Great stream, by the way, here. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Hopefully you're having an amazing day as well. Can you look at Nano? Of course, I will be doing my research about it right away. Nano, whatever we're currently having. So, Nano, of course, very exciting what we can currently see here. Nano is forming a very beautiful continuation, but I've been looking at Nano quite a lot here recently. And I know a lot of people are requesting Nano as well here. But what you can currently see here, Nano forming a beautiful symmetrical triangle, guys. We can definitely see a breakout anytime soon here. And of course, if we're going to see a breakout to either direction, you're definitely going to see a lot of volatility in this price chart. So Nano, of course, looks very exciting on the 4-hour, in my opinion. If we're going to see a breakout to the upside, guys, this will be definitely pushing up the price very significantly. This can be, of course, from the point that we're currently trading on, an insane move of 92% here. I look forward to see where this is heading towards. Of course, if we're going to see a breakdown, this will be also very bearish. I don't think that we're going to reach this target, because once again, guys, sometimes these targets are way too low that and it's way too low, and I truly don't anticipate it. So I will be also removing the Fibonacci real quickly, but this is definitely looking very well here for Nano, and I definitely think we will be seeing a breakout anytime soon here. So keep your eyes out on Nano, and it will be definitely breaking out at maximum on the 12th of May. But you know it, we tend to see these breakouts earlier than expected. So I can't wait to see once we're going to see it, because yes, guys, I definitely think we're going to see this breakout anytime soon here for the price action of Nano, and I definitely think we're going to see a move to the upside getting created. So for, let me see who it was exactly. Let me see. So exactly for you, Mesdap. For you, I do feel very excited about it, because yes, we can definitely see this breakout anytime soon here, and I do feel very excited about it. So let's see what it is going to do. But for Nano, I do feel very excited about it, guys. I definitely think we can be seeing this breakout anytime soon here. And let me quickly do this. So yeah, I do feel very excited about it, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do here, guys. So very exciting days here. Hopefully we can be seeing this move to the upside getting created anytime soon here, and hopefully we can be going higher. And people are asking me about XRP, guys, and let me go into XRP. And guys, let me quickly check here. We are currently live for already 2 hours and 12 minutes, so this is of course absolutely insane. But let me go into the price section of XRP. Hopefully we can be seeing this move to the upside getting created anytime soon here. We are currently seeing symmetrical triangle getting involved there. And I mean, for people, I've been already discussing XRP, and we know, let me see. I thought we were getting another super chat. But for XRP, you already know I will be waiting for the daily candle close. If we can be seeing the daily candle close above the top side of this resist line, I will be feeling very exciting. But for me, I definitely want to be seeing this breakthrough on the top side. Otherwise, I just can't play bullish about it. I can't play bullish about it if we are not seeing this breakout to the upside. But like I told you before, guys, I'm currently already in a swing trade position on XRP, because yes, I anticipate the price is going to actually $3, $2.70 anytime soon here for you. So for the guys who are wondering as well here, you can be joining me. You can be signing up with the Bybit referral link in the description right now. You are getting a $1,080 deposit bonus, $1,000 deposit bonus, $80 welcome bonus. So if you're signing up here, you're already getting your $80 welcome bonus. So make sure to use the referral link right now in the description of Bybit. It will be amazing if you're joining me. I mean, what my current strategy is, so of course we're creating wicks every time on the top side. I'm already in my position in profit. I entered my position on the $1.34 here, but once we're going to go lower, I will be adding even more to my position once reaching this target once again here, because yes, I definitely think this is a very good accumulation level. So for the people that are willing to join me, this is the best level that you can be doing. So you can be already opening your position once retracing towards the $1.34 here. I should be definitely adding more, but definitely, guys, this breakout is going to be absolutely insane for XRP. We're going to see insane volatility. We're going to see a move of 70% getting created, and that will be, of course, with my 10x leverage, a 700% move to the upside. So I already can't wait to see this getting trade here. And guys, if you want me to maybe do a public trade about this one, do you guys want me? Let me know in the chat. Do you guys want me to open maybe today, maybe later today, I will be making a special video about it that I'm going to open a live trade in that video. So make sure to ask me, let me know in the chat here if you want me to do so, because I will be definitely want to trade this all together, and I definitely feel very excited by XRP, and that is also the reason why I want to say this to you guys. I want to be trading all together, because this is looking like a very good opportunity. And what you can be doing here for your strategy is open your position already, and once falling, you can be adding more to your position, so you're averaging in on a very nice price and give you this potential 70% trade to the upside. So I mean, I should not stay on the sidelines. I should be definitely already signing up here, but of course, always trade at your own risk here. And I mean, you cannot get wrecked here if you have enough money aside to add more to your position. But of course, I will be doing more trades. I will be really doing more trades together. But like I told you before, if Bitcoin is really going to reverse to the downside, guys, we're going to do a trading challenge with swing trades. So I will be showing you how I open my swing trades, because yes, guys, we've been really crushing it recently. But I mean, so many requests here recently coming in here of opening trades together. So that's definitely a thing that we will be doing here. So that's, of course, a thing that you can be looking out for on the channel, guys. But guys, currently, I will be wrapping up the stream. How good the stream, even though the stream was absolutely good here. We absolutely crushed it today. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button as well here. And of course, don't forget to follow me on my socials. Of course, at CryptoRoverYT on my Instagram, at @RoverCrypto on Twitter. But definitely, guys, it was an absolutely insane stream here once again today. We reached to 1,000 likes here, even another 11 likes, and we reached the 1,100. So guys, it wasn't, of course, a very exciting day today. I mean, I really enjoyed today's stream here, so hopefully you did it as well here. Tomorrow, of course, I will be back with another stream here on the channel, and the day after, of course, once again here. But also later today, I will be probably uploading the video about my trade that I'm going to, I'm currently in my trade on Bybit with XRP, but I will be probably also opening another trade here on XRP on my Famex account, because I'm so confident currently what is going on with XRP and that it can give me very good returns here. But guys, hopefully you're going to have an amazing day here. I just can't wait to see what we're going to do, of course, with the XRP trade. So make sure to keep your eyes set on the channel if you want to be joining me with the potential trade here. Maybe probably will be uploading it today. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will be checking you guys tomorrow in a new stream and later today in the video. Goodbye.